We gotta wait till the line.
It's taking way too long.
If this happens to be their last challenge, I have to actually tag them before they can finish the maze.
My dad's gonna catch us.
Did you guys happen to see this girl in the maze? Did you happen to see her in the maze, this girl?
They win VIP.
They win the VIP.
Yeah.
All right, they said she's going in.
Apparently we don't have the correct wristband, so I guess we can't go inside.
That was literally the last challenge.
And they kicked us out. I don't know what to do. Well,
You have to go to another maze, I think.
well, I guess, yeah.
Gotta find another maze.
You
saw her over at Song.
You saw her over there? All right, somebody just told me that they saw Salish leave the VIP lane for whatever reason. So they're saying she didn't go in, so we gotta go back this way now.
That is crazy. If they had the right wristbands, they would have just won. But now they have to go to a different maze, and I might still have a chance.
We tried to get in the maze, we didn't have the wristbands, so now we have to wait to get the wristbands before the final challenge.
My shoes are making my feet hurt so bad.
I don't think I can run anymore. Like, if he's chasing us, I'm lying down and getting caught.
There's 2 mazes here at Magic Mountain, so I'm gonna go to the second one now. Maybe I was at the wrong maze.
Right here. Here's the steer.
No,
Yeah.
I can't, no. No, Salish, this is the only thing I'm not doing.
Faran is super scared.
Salish, hold me.
So he needs Salish and the bodyguard to protect him. If he quits and they don't go through the maze together, I win. If they get through the haunted maze before I tag them, Salish wins again.
Have you seen her? Is she here?
I think she made it through the line.
Can I please go get her?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Let's go. Security guard, just let me go through. I'm gonna go through the entrance. Let's go. If they're in here, I gotta catch them before they get out. This might be their final challenge.
No, I'm actually scared. I'm scared.
Oh my god!
I got her! Yeah!
No way!
Yes!
Stop. We're getting out of here right now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'll get you out of here.
Oh my gosh, he was there the whole time. So you're telling me I went through that whole entire maze just to lose?
Yeah. How many challenges did you get done?
We did 10.
We did all 10.
Technically, we did 10.
in the last one.
Meaning if you had gotten through, you would have won?
Yeah, we would have won.
I got
We were
you
so
that
close. We were so close.
I won! That means that I now get to make a billboard of that very, very embarrassing photo.
I've been wondering what that photo has been
Okay,
the
I'm
whole
gonna
video.
show you.
Okay, show
I'm gonna
me.
show the
What?
world. You know the photo. I'm gonna make the photo of a billboard of that. Are you good with that?
No,
You don't want me to do it, do you?
not really.
The truth is, the photo isn't that bad. It's just an embarrassing expression, but I can see in Salish's eyes she really doesn't want anyone to see it. So,
Okay, I'm not gonna do it.
Wait, really?
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna.
Wait, actually?
I'm not gonna embarrass her publicly. It's okay. Just go have fun. Just leave. Go have
All
fun.
right, thanks.
Go
Come
have
on,
fun.
let's go.
What? I want to show you guys so badly, but I'm not. Oh boy, I want to show you. I kind of regret it, but it's her privacy.
Wait. Just show me the picture.
I'll show you.
Please,
Just you.
show me. Show me. No!
I know.
Dad, what the heck?
I'm sorry.
All right, you go.
Okay, bye. But at least I didn't do the billboard.
everybody, I finally won a challenge!
If you're interested in dance photography, you may be looking around Instagram and seeing all of these awesome photos and wondering, how did they do that? That looks impossible. Actually, it's really pretty easy, and I'm gonna show you how. A great dance photo is using a great ballerina. Sorry guys, but ballerinas go viral, dudes usually don't. Once you've got your ballerina, you have to figure out what she should wear. I'm a fan of street clothing, or a combination of a leotard with street clothing. You want to make sure it's bright so her clothing doesn't blend into a dark background, and that the color will pop on camera. You also want to make sure that the clothing fits extremely well. Sometimes the stretching can cause a little bit of distraction. She's got to be wearing point shoes or bare feet. Ballerinas are trained to have beautiful feet, so take advantage of that. If you're going to be running in the middle of the street, you're going to need a lot of energy. Make sure you get a large coffee. One of the biggest decisions you always have to make in photography is which lens to choose. For dance photography, you can almost never go wrong with a long lens. I prefer a 70 to 200 millimeter lens, shooting as long as possible at f2.8 or f4 if possible. If you shoot in an urban environment and you've got a bunch of stuff, make sure you have somebody there to watch it while you're in the middle of the street. Usually when you select a location, try to find an urban environment. Urban shots tend to go more viral than dance photos in nature, which is a little bit more predictable. Also, you want to get the dancer around a lot of people or with a lot of action because it just makes it look cooler and they have something to stand out from. Sometimes, if you want to get a great shot, you got to take some risks. Right now, I'm in one of the busiest areas of New York City. Why am I here? Because look at that gap between the buildings. I want to get her leg in that gap. So in order to do that, she's got to be right here in the middle of a cross street. Cars coming from here, cars coming from there. Everyone's pissed off, but it might make an awesome photo. Yeah. Okay, and go. Good. And now you have to figure out what is her pose. Emphasize her flexibility, her lines, her athleticism, her overextension. If you're saying wow when you're taking it, people will say wow when they're looking at it. Go for classic poses, arabesques, grand jeté. This is going to be crazy because there's traffic all four directions. There's no way we're going to get this shot without her being in the middle of the street when cars are coming from somewhere. Whenever you're taking a dance photo, don't just take the photo, document the process for social media too. Boom. So if you're going to take a risky photo, make sure to document that it was risky. It's scary out here. If you just show the photo, they're going to think that was easy, they had a permit. We don't have a permit, we don't have permission. This is nuts. She might die, she seriously might die. You're not going to die. So I'll tell you when. Okay, hold it, hold it. Go. Go, 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 right in there. So you need a ballerina who's not afraid. Dancers are usually fearless, a little bit reckless. I love that, I am too. Before you even start, let them know we're gonna take some risks. Don't say no, say maybe. One thing I noticed with a lot of dance photos is the ballerina is put against a background that sucks them in and they disappear. You want to separate the dancer from the background. The easiest way to do that is to find some empty space or some white space. We first get out there and she stands in between the two manhole covers, and then I realized, wait, if she's in the center of the manhole cover, compositionally that makes a lot of sense. So we made that switch real quick. You gotta always be aware of your compositional elements when you're shooting from top to bottom. You're never gonna get it right on the first try. It's always about the details. Be specific, move an inch to the left, an inch to the right, back, tall. Go to different angles, lay down, stand up, try a lot of different things. And then you'll find the thing that's right. Bam! Oh my God, you nailed those. You nailed those. You put all these elements together, you get a shot like this. This is the kind of photo that people are gonna love on Instagram. I have 100,000 followers on Instagram. If a post is really successful, I'll get about 5,000 likes and about 20 comments. Let's see how this one does.
Today, my friend Peyton and I are gonna build a secret hot tub in my bed. But to make sure that my dad doesn't catch us, I have the perfect plan. Come on. All right, Dad, how are you doing?
Great.
All right, well, you gotta stay in the sauna for the next 24 hours, but if you complete the next 5 challenges, then we give you...
Jeez! Salish!
You get to leave.
This is
First challenge, build a domino maze.
What?
Yeah, and let me turn on the heat really quick, okay? Have fun, good luck! Don't sweat too much. By the way, Dad, you can't turn off the heat until you complete the first challenge.
It's gonna take me forever. I'm gonna boil in here. Salish, I don't want to do this video. Say.
So the first step is we have to get the mattress off and then get the bed frame out because the hot tub's gonna be under the mattress, you know? I'm keeping him trapped in the sauna so that he won't see me building the hot tub. All right, let's do it. Bro, we can't just like leave it out in the hallway. I mean, we could put it in the laundry room.
There are so many dominoes in here. Are you kidding? Look at all those. Where am I supposed to do this? In the heat, that's not gonna help. It's only at 81 now, but it's gonna keep going up.
All right, this isn't that bad. We're low-key cooking.
I've got to stack all these dominoes in a maze and then they all have to fall down at once. I gotta use this whole space and hope it's enough. This is already the most tedious thing I've ever done.
Okay, the reason that we have to be quiet is because the sauna that my dad's in is right under us. And to make sure my dad doesn't catch us, the team helped me set up all those cameras so I can get ahead of him and hopefully finish my hot tub before he's done with all of the challenges.
This is so hard. It's hot in here. Never done a domino maze before. I don't know what I'm doing. No, 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 no! Frick!
So does he have to restart now? Yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's getting hot in here already. 88 degrees and I just knock them all down.
Oh, he looks sad. I feel bad.
This first challenge is so hard. Salish, I swear next week I'm gonna come up with the best video to prank you. I don't even know what it is. Just wait.
It's okay, I think saunas are good for you.
Ah!
That's actually perfect because now we have way more time to build the hot tub and like get the inflatable. Uh-oh. It's in the garage. My dad's in the garage. I know. So how are we gonna get it? All right, let's just go. Let's figure out.
Oh my gosh. Hey, by the way, you want to give me some knee pads maybe? Or like a towel or something? Anything? The floor's a little hard. Okay, I guess nothing.
You go around to the side and I'll go into the garage right now. Okay, sounds good. To make this hot tub, I'll need the inflatable pool inside the garage. They're right in there. Let's go. Ready? So the plan is simple. I'm gonna get inside the garage at the same time Peyton gets in. While I distract my dad,
Salish!
she's gonna grab the inflatable pool.
Actually, Salish!
Sorry, I forgot the towel for your knees. Here, do you want to air out some coolness? And get out of there as fast as she can. All right, I got it. I don't think Jordan noticed, so let's come back with Salish. You're welcome. Okay, bye.
Are you?
Have fun.
Dude, that is, oh my God, oh my, next week, just wait.
Peyton, you grabbed everything. That was good job. Here, I can help you. Okay, you hold that. Let's go back to your room. Okay, good job.
Now 97 degrees and counting. Well, at least I got a towel. And I should have known that was coming because Salish does that kind of thing all the time.
I can help you.
What was that?
That was kind of loud. But this is gonna be really loud and I really hope that my dad doesn't hear. Just tell him we're like drying your hair or something. I'm just blow drying my dried hair.
What is up?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
It's getting hotter. The way this video works is I do all this stuff and Salish watches it on the monitor, laughs at me a lot, and comes up with the next challenge. But I hear them up there, it doesn't sound like they're doing that.
We need to make sure this is gonna look like a bed, but do you wanna like get in it, like let's test it out. Okay. Just like pretend there's like water to here, and we're like,
No, 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 no! Salish comes up with better challenges than I do for these tiny room videos. I would have loved to think of this for her. I mean, can you imagine Salish doing this with her impatience? She would quit. I would win in 2 minutes. This was a brilliant idea by Salish to trap me in a sauna. Comment below where you think I should trap Salish next.
it's so heavy. It looks like it's gonna work though. Here, grab that side of the blanket. That looks so good. I'm gonna call Matthew Bean because he's done this kind of thing before. I actually got this idea from him. It took him like a whole day to do it, and it took us 5 minutes. Hi.
What's up?
I've been working on building stuff with like wood and hammers and stuff like that, and I made my own bed frame.
Okay, you built a new bed for yourself? Is it comfortable?
3, 2, 1! Whoa!
What was that?
Whoa! Why is it sinking down?
Nathan! Bro, the whole thing just collapsed.
This is why you can't build something in 5 minutes.
Okay, well, how would you do it if you were us?
I mean, I'm actually kind of close if you guys just need my help. I could come over and help you out with this.
Wait, actually?
I'll be over there in like 10 minutes and I can help you guys out.
You're so goated. All right, thank you.
All right, I'll be over there in a second.
All right, thanks, bye. Honestly, we made a lot of noise, so I think we should go check the monitor and make sure my dad's not suspicious.
Salish, this is my last domino. Get ready for challenge number 2. Okay. Come on, Say.
Oh my gosh, wait, he's actually done. Okay, we gotta get everything out. We gotta take everything out of the room to make space for the new build. Everything out! Everything out! Oh my gosh.
What just happened?
Okay, That's good. Come on, let's go. Let's go check on my dad.
Oh my God, okay, let's see if it works.
Right now, we're waiting for Matthew and his team to get all the supplies and everything, but we need to delay my dad as much as possible, so we need to give him like a really hard challenge, and I think I have an idea, so come on, just trust. What are we doing with that? Let's get a big scoop of rocks. Okay, now let's go, come on.
Okay, I'm ready. Hurry before it falls down.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah,
Hi.
yeah, hey, welcome back.
Wow, you finally finished. How's it going? I brought you something.
Stop, just,
You look kind of hot.
okay, thank you. I just,
Oh, it smells awful.
okay, wait, what's that?
You'll see, it's your next challenge.
Okay, please work.
So are you gonna do it?
Please work, here we go. No, yes, 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 yes. Come on, let's go, let's go.
You did it pretty well.
So now what?
Now I can turn off the heat. Oh, it smells so bad in there. Here's your next challenge. You gotta count all these rocks.
Wait, what?
Love you.
That's all, just count rocks? What am I supposed to put these rocks in when I'm done counting?
You can use this.
I
turned off the heat.
I know, but it's still hot in here. It doesn't go away.
Fine, do you
immediately.
want a minute of a coldness?
Yes.
A cold shot?
Yes, yes. Oh my gosh.
Smells really bad in there. Yes. You know what? I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. Don't let him leave, Peyton.
Hey Peyton, how's it going?
Good.
What's going on upstairs? Like, what's going on?
We're just rearranging her room. All right, Dad.
Are you sure she's not rearranging her
I
room?
got you some surprises. I thought that in here smelled very bad, so I'm offering you some deodorant,
Oh,
kind of
God, no.
deodorize, and then I'm just gonna grab a little perfume.
Hey, could you just be quiet? I'm trying to count.
You want to like count to 100 in me, Peyton? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Stop.
6,
Stop.
7,
16,
11,
17,
12,
18,
28, 27, 28.
Frick. Do you even know how many rocks are in here?
Of course I do. I literally counted them before I gave it. Also, you're on 31.
31, 32.
I'm just kidding. You're on
33.
29. My cold shot.
52, 53, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, we're still waiting for Matthew, so we have to slow him down and distract him. By doing what? Basically, I have this, and it's like called like the shut up button, like I call it that, you know?
Dad, please stop talking.
Every time I press it, he has to stop talking. Dad,
So-
please stop talking. Dad, please stop. Okay, let's go.
That was pretty good, actually. That was a pretty good Salish impression.
Peyton, please stop talking. Okay, ready?
Dad, please stop.
Shush! Let's go.
194,
Hi, Dad.
195, 196. I'm not paying attention.
Dad, please stop talking. Dad, please stop talking. Dad, please stop talking.
I think he was at 152, 143, 144, 145, 146, 148. She's brutal.
Dad, please stop talking.
All right, let's go. Bye, good luck.
I think I can talk when they're not with me, right? 213. I was at 213. That's a dirty trick. I can't count in my head. I need to be out loud. 214.
He thinks that he needs to get the number like perfectly right. He could be like, oh, I have 500, and I'll be like, sure. Okay, good. Yeah. But he doesn't know it.
It's still freaking hot in here. If you're trapped in a hot sauna, get refreshed.
Oh my gosh. Matthew and his team's here, finally. We gotta go distract my dad while I sneak them in. Hey, Dad.
725, 725, 725.
767!
725.
Alright, hold on. I just have an idea really quick. 1 second.
28, 29, 30.
Okay.
730. No.
Alright,
No. 730, 730. Salish, dude, actually. Oh my God, no way.
Okay, let's go see. I think he's here. Okay. Hi!
What's up?
We all have to be really quiet because my dad can't know that you guys are here.
Wait, your dad's here?
Yeah, he's in there.
I didn't know Jordan was here.
744, 745, 746, 47.
One time I actually made a bed that folded open and there's a secret room underneath.
Wow, you actually have a good idea.
Are you guys gonna help build or you guys distract your dad while I build?
Yeah, I think a little bit of both. Yeah, we'll do both. 7. Yeah.
So how long do we have until your dad's done with the challenge?
We've like barely any time. He only has 3 more challenges and he's done 2 almost.
I know I keep mentioning Sincerely Yours, and I'll bet some of you are thinking, yeah, that's great if I could buy it, but it's sold out, which it has been.
But guess what? It's not sold out anymore. It's in Sephora stores and on Sephora.com. So go get it right now before it sells out again. While we're setting up to cut the wood, I turned my dad's speaker all the way up. There's no way he's gonna hear us.
I can't hear myself think.
These don't feel very cute.
Aren't you guys in a rush?
Okay, whatever, Peyton. We gotta just lock in and go.
They're worried about looking chopped, and I'm worried about you guys chopping your finger off.
Okay, we're not gonna chop our fingers off.
Your helmet's not even on straight, Salish.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Good job! You guys are doing great.
$778. And there was like drilling in there.
Oh,
You did it.
oh my goodness gracious! Smells so bad.
You guys-
Get me inside. Go inside. Oh.
That's only the first piece. We gotta do that like 20 more times.
887. I'm gonna be honest, when they were babies, I gotta give a shout out to my wife, Lauren. 99% of the time, get up with the babies. She was a way better mother than I was a father when it came to sleeping. Still heard this sound a lot and it got me crazy. It's getting me crazy now.
This is going to be the frame to your secret bed. So we gotta cut a lot more pieces.
Oh wait, it's the frame. Did you bring paint?
Because her bed frame is white.
I did not think about that.
But the paint that we have is in the garage. Okay. So Peyton, let's just go and try and find it. Come on, come on, come on.
I'm just gonna keep cutting the wood while they go look for the paint.
I'm turning away from the camera to tell you that I'm gonna use ChatGPT to check the rest of the stones and tell me how many they are. Then I'll add that to what I've already totaled, and that's gonna be my guess. There are rocks in this bag. How many are there? ChatGPT just guessed 1,350 rocks, and I've counted 1,950. So I'm gonna add them together, and that's gonna be my total. 1,350 plus 1,950 equals 3,300. Let's go, Salish. I'm done.
Okay, he's finishing challenge number 2 right now, so let's go give him challenge number 3.
Cut the sounds. Just cut. Ah,
Hey, Dad.
finally.
Hey, how many rocks did you count?
That took me a really long time. The number of rocks is exactly 3,300.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah.
Do you know how many rocks were in the bag?
No. Are you joking? You think I would count those?
Are you kidding me?
You think I have the patience for that?
It could have been any number?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's so unfair.
Good job, though. You did good.
Okay, well, the next challenge you gotta put on those headphones and that blindfold.
If you're trapped in a sauna and it's hot, hit refresh a lot. I've been working on little taglines, little jingles.
A mystery guest is gonna come and you're gonna have to guess who it is. You have 10 questions to ask them, and if you don't get it right, you have a consequence. Mystery guest, you can come. Okay, here you go.
Bye, Dad. Bye. Bye, Dad. Okay, bye.
Okay, so am I supposed to guess who's standing there?
Yes.
Okay, first question, do I know you?
Yes, you have maybe before.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Did we work together on my YouTube channel?
Yes, we work together on your YouTube channel. Yes, sir.
I can't believe it actually worked.
Yeah, that was crazy.
We finally got to paint.
We got to paint, so we got to start painting.
Are you a girl?
I am not a girl.
An adult woman?
I am not an adult woman.
Are you
no.
close to Salish's age?
Relatively, yes.
We got it, but how do we open this? My nails are like too long. Matthew!
Did we ever film at an amusement park?
Yes, we did.
Ah! Have you always had dark hair?
I have always had dark hair, yes.
That's a lot of paint, Salish. We still have to paint the other boards.
Oh, it's okay. We got this.
I've known you for a long time, and I feel like you're really familiar with me. So I'm gonna go, you are Ferran from the royalty family.
Unfortunately, Jordan, I am not Ferran.
Wait. Oh my God, it's Maddox?
Yeah, what's going on, man?
It's Maddox?
Yeah.
I'm such an idiot, now I hear the accent. What's the consequence?
I have no clue.
Salish!
No, come on, come on, come on.
So I thought it was Ferran. Yay, ooh, you won, ooh, I gotta do a consequence. Oh no, oh no.
The consequence is that you have to make a music video with him.
Wait, what?
Do this song that you already sang a couple years ago, but make it about the sauna.
My name is Jordan, you can call me Dad. Oh, dude, this is so embarrassing. I can't sing. Maddox, check this out. Tell me if this would be a good ad.
Okay.
If you're trapped in a sauna and it's hot, hit refresh a lot.
I like that. Would that be like in the middle of the music video?
No, that's just like an ad to go everywhere. all over the
ad to go
world.
everywhere? No, I like it.
All right, Dad, you're really embarrassing.
I'm so proud of my little girl. She started her own skincare
All right, let's
line when
go,
she was 15. She's just super great.
While Maddox is distracting my dad, Matthew and his team are doing a great job putting this bed together. And we're doing an amazing job helping.
You have 5 minutes to clean up your space and write the song.
5 minutes? How do I write a song in 5 minutes?
How would you write a song in 5 minutes? That's something for you to figure out, I guess.
Oh, you're telling me to use ChatGPT?
You know, maybe I am. I mean, I feel like that's the obvious answer. I don't know, maybe.
My idea is we need to get water from the shower. So we're gonna unscrew like the top thing, and I have a hose, and we're gonna put the hose on that, and then it's gonna like, you know?
I actually think that can work.
Okay, Peyton.
Wait, but I feel like it's not getting looser.
It is. Oh my god. The best part of the plan is we get to have like hot shower water into the hot tub, so we don't even need to heat it up.
You're so smart.
I know, I'm a genius.
Right now we're trying to find the perfect area to place this bed. Since we're filling with water, it's extremely heavy and we're on the second floor of the house. So if we don't put it in the right spot, the entire floor could break and then Jordan would definitely catch us.
I think it's coming up, yep.
Time. You have 3 minutes to memorize that song. I'm gonna go get a snack, get my camera, and then we're gonna film it, all right?
Oh, awesome, okay, can you grab me a snack?
No.
We just got the hose, now we gotta attach it.
Wait, I think I'm actually doing it.
Wait, yeah, you actually are. I think you did it. Let's test it out. Okay, ready? Hey! 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! I think there's like a hole right there. So should we tape it?
We could.
I'm getting soaked. Are you serious? Why did you do that?
Okay, there's something going on up there for sure.
Okay, well that didn't work and we don't have very much time. Do you think the hose like I have outside would fit?
Probably, we can try that.
Wait, actually I can throw it to you. So Peyton, stay up here and I'll throw it through the window.
So this right here is actually gonna be holding the mattress, hiding the hot tub underneath. This is gonna be the craziest thing ever.
Now we gotta get the hose, okay? Let's go, come on.
How are you gonna get up there though?
I'm just gonna throw it to Peyton. What if I break a window?
Hi! Wait, I need to get this off.
Okay, catch it.
Wait. Ah! That wasn't a very good throw.
It's gonna like scratch the house.
Not if you make it all the way to me.
It's almost there.
That was not very close.
Oh, okay, well if I fall, I'm kind of cooked.
Okay, honestly, I'm hearing stuff upstairs, right? I'm not crazy, am I?
Right now, the only water inside of Salish's room is inside of Boomer's dog bed. Jordan is definitely gonna be onto us if we don't quiet down.
Hey, what's up, Jordan? Yeah, I mean, you ain't got much time left. 3 minutes.
You're killing me, I love those.
No, you're not getting one, I'm sorry.
Music videos, can we do it like one line at a time so I can look at the lines?
You know what? That's fine. All right, I'm gonna open the door. Dude, that stinks, I'm not gonna lie. That does not smell
Okay,
good.
just everybody have to say that.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Get it! Peyton!
It was not close enough.
Yes, it was. I'm not giving up now. Like, we're getting this hose up there. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes! I got it! Okay, good job, Peyton.
Only 30 marks on the side of the house later.
Those are already there.
Oh, was it?
Just don't tell my mom.
Lock me in here and it's getting bad.
You lock
Getting
me?
bad, not getting real bad. Getting
Yeah,
bad.
I like
Come
getting
on,
bad
Chad,
anyway.
you gotta-
It flows.
Yeah,
It flows.
It
Yep.
flows. Here we go.
It flows. All right.
Hey, say, it's your dear old dad. You lock me in here, and it's getting. Hey, say, it's your dear old dad. You lock me in here. It's getting bad.
That was good. Read the next one.
Did you like the energy?
I think you can do better.
Colin?
I think you gotta twist the tip.
Wait, I don't know how to do that.
It's shooting. It's shooting.
Push the thing down!
I did it! Woo!
My hair!
Right now, this doesn't look much like a bed or a jacuzzi, so we're gonna start fixing that with these tarps right here. I just really hope there's not a hole in there, or the water's gonna start leaking down onto Jordan's head.
My name is Jordan, you can call me Dad. I'm roasting like a turkey and it's kinda sad. I'm so stuck, sweating on our channel. This song is more than I can handle.
Okay, Sandy, this isn't working. Let's just use AI and make it better. Roll the music video.
My name is Jordan, you can call me Dad. I'm roasting like a turkey and it's kinda sad. You got me stuck in the sun all day, and I'm melting like a popsicle. Let's
The
go.
inflection on
I
that.
brought it home.
In an outsider's perspective, you sounded absolutely amazing.
Really?
All right, yeah, I'm serious.
Cool, that's
Yeah,
awesome.
seriously.
Actually, thank you.
He's gonna need a lot of auto-tune, like a lot.
Jordan is never gonna find out. This is crazy.
Hi, Dad. You liked it?
I am getting bored and tired and hot, yeah.
Well, the next challenge, you have another mystery guest.
Okay, who?
Hey!
What?
It's your turn to eat the sour candy.
Salish, come on, dude. This is crazy.
Well, I'm gonna set the time. No!
I'm just trying to get some air.
I set it to 100, and every time you don't answer a question, you have to turn it higher.
Okay, can we just get this over with? I gotta get out of this sauna. It's already
67 degrees. All right, so let's go with the question.
Level 1 right there. Okay, you can either spill a secret about Salish that the internet doesn't know, or you can admit who your favorite ship has been.
Okay, I'll tell you something. Every time Salish and Peyton get together after they haven't seen each other in months, they're super awkward and they don't talk for like an hour until I come in and break the ice for them. That's true.
Okay, well everybody already knows that, so turn up the heat.
Yeah.
They do?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Peyton, I think we should go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Okay, have fun.
Say you want to stay?
The next big piece for our hot tub is a pump to heat the water and make bubbles. But
we have a huge problem. It's gonna be like next to my bed.
Your dad's gonna see this.
Yeah, obviously.
that's the problem.
So we need to disguise it. Can you keep going while we're at Target disguising everything?
Okay. What is this?
I don't know, but you got this. Woo! Yeah! Go Matthew!
Who has been your most favorite person ever to film with?
I mean, I think. Yeah, it was definitely like my son Hudson.
Love you too.
In the video with Mr. Beast, when we were in the car, people freaked out on the internet because you officially called Kato Salish's boyfriend.
Salish was on Pucker Up recently, and people on TikTok went a little crazy when she said her breakup with her boyfriend Kato was mutual.
it was mutual.
So, to your knowledge, were they officially dating? And has Salish ever had another boyfriend that the internet doesn't know about?
That is not for me to answer.
The heat goes up.
Oh man.
Yeah, we were.
You were official?
Bro, I've already said that so many times. Kato and I were official. Kato and I were official.
Well, what about dating somebody else? I didn't want to invade your
I
privacy.
haven't dated anyone else.
Oh, that I know of. Is that what that look was? Hey, Peyton.
Yeah?
Has she dated anyone else that we don't know about?
I don't know. I'm not in there. I don't have to answer.
Okay, we're gonna go to Starbucks and just chill and hang out and talk about things that we wouldn't want you to know. But all right, thank you. Let's go,
wait.
Faye.
That's not part of the video.
Bye.
And we're back. Ready for more questions?
While Jolie keeps my dad busy, Peyton and I need to buy some things to help hide all the changes we're making to my room. Wait, don't.
I'm gonna run into something. Okay, we're here. We need bedding. Let's get cheap, like white sheets, and then like a blanket.
I can't.
Who is your favorite? Nidal, Farhan, or Kato?
I've known Nidal and Farhan since they were really young. I think they're both super cool kids. Obviously, Nidal has a great friendship with Salish, and Kato, I really like them as a couple. I thought he's a really sweet kid, so I like them all.
Okay, we don't have to turn up the heat because you did answer, and you did very good with that answer.
Thank you.
Get those. Oh, look. Mine's like this. It's like white.
The hot tub bed is larger than my original bed, so we need to get the exact same bedding, but bigger.
All right, perfect.
Does Salish have a curfew?
No.
Does she have anything that you wouldn't approve as a dad?
I've never known her to do anything that I wouldn't approve of.
Do you think that she sneaks out of the house and you don't know?
No, I do not think she sneaks out of the house.
What does she talk about the most?
Oh, Nidal. I just gave you the answer you wanted to hear.
We all wanted to hear
But
that.
what does she actually talk about the most?
Yes.
What her day was, school, friends, sports. Doesn't talk to me a lot about boys.
Okay, now we have to figure out how to cover the water heater and bubbler thing. So I'm thinking we could get like a table and let's put like a tablecloth over it. Oh look, a table.
What is the biggest secret you are hiding from Salish right now?
Wait, what is?
No, did you hear the question? You're not
I can't
answering
hear
the question.
because I hear something upstairs.
No, I know, that's you.
It sounds like she's hiding a secret from me, because what's going on up there?
No, the sauna's making weird noises. You can hear it on the outside.
Oh my God, please let me out of here.
My dad is starting to get really suspicious of what's going on. We really need to hurry up.
Biggest secret that you're hiding from Salish right now?
I'm gonna say this. I don't even know if you know it. It is true. It's a biggie, actually.
This is the secret I told Jolie.
Of course, we're still gonna be making YouTube videos every single week. But we've got something even more exciting. We're coming to Netflix.
It wasn't public then, but it is now.
That's the best secret ever.
It's a pretty good secret.
Okay, let's go check on the build.
All right, guys, I got you in a really good place, but I have to go. You're gonna need this.
Wait, you're leaving?
I don't know what that is, but I gotta go catch a flight.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye, thank you.
Either turn the heat up or agree to let Salish pick the next video idea.
Well, the last time she picked a video idea was this week, and I ended up stuck in the sauna, so I'm turning up the heat.
What is it at now?
140 now.
Okay, we just brought up all the stuff that we have to cover the bed with. But first of all, look how cool this is. It's warm too. I just want to get in it.
Honestly, you gotta be almost done. This is crazy.
Are you sure you don't want one more question?
I'm positive, please go.
Did you want to just say if you're team Nailish or not?
No, I don't want to say anything
just
about
one more
Team
question.
Nailish.
Okay,
I just
I'll
want to be
leave.
done.
I'll leave you to
Thank
it.
you. Bye,
Okay,
Joey. Great
see
seeing
ya.
you. It is so hot in here.
Okay, we're almost ready for the next challenge, but first we gotta do something really quick. Hey, Dad. I just wanted to...
What are you doing?
Now 150. Love you, we'll be back.
No, give me my final challenge.
All right, now we gotta go set up his final challenge. Come on.
Go get her. Why are you filming me? Go get her.
Do you like chocolate or vanilla, Peyton? Vanilla. Oh. This chocolate is low-key really good. I feel like one more scoop will do it. Yeah. This chocolate is so good. Hi,
Hey.
Doesn't this look so good right now?
Yeah, it does.
The good news, you get it. You get it.
Oh my God, thank you.
You can't let a drop touch the floor. If it falls, then you get a pretty bad consequence. Yeah. You might want to get started eating. It's 150 degrees in
It's
there.
gonna melt really fast.
All right, let's go. We gotta hurry.
Salish, I don't want to eat this much ice cream.
Oh my goodness.
How's she even gonna know if I spill any? She's not here.
That's what I'm here for.
Oh, you're kidding me.
We changed and I'm so excited, but we should check on my dad first, like make sure everything's good. Oh my gosh. The ice cream is like completely melted. We have to do something. Okay, get on a hoodie, get on a hoodie. What? We gotta go.
This is your 5th challenge. Is the best you could do? This is easy.
If you ask us why we changed our pants, we were working out. Okay. I have such a good idea. Hey, Dad.
You are gonna lose this challenge so bad.
Oh,
I'm almost done.
Oh, well, I have a new part to the challenge.
What's happening?
Okay.
To give us more time, I'm putting an electric muscle recovery device on each of my dad's arms.
What do you think? What is this?
Nothing.
It's great for training, but not for this.
What is happening with my arms?
A little more.
Okay, that's good. Actually, that's probably good.
Okay, we'll turn on the bubbles. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God!
Ow, my arms, Sergeant.
Be careful with your toes.
Ow, I hate this.
I can stay in here all day. I just need a drink, like a virgin pina colada.
There's a lot of drips on your legs.
I get it. Game on. I'm about to win, but wait by next week. Ow.
Okay, we have some decorations that we're gonna add. Some balls, and then some lights. This is actually so much fun.
Oh.
Challenge doesn't end until you leave the sauna.
Okay,
if
then open
one
the door.
drop of ice cream hits the floor, you lose.
Okay, let's look at the monitor.
Say.
Check it and then turn off the zapper.
He got out. Shoot. Okay, come on. We gotta get out.
You won, Jordan.
Let's go. Get me out of here.
Turn this off. Turn off the sound.
I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna find out what Salish is up to because I know it's something.
Okay, just drop it. Let's just cover the pump with a towel. Bro, we're dripping wet. Okay, wait, go. He better not come in here. I think that's good. I'm gonna go try and push the mattress back into the laundry room. Peyton, I need your help. Okay, wait, actually, we should get on the side that's not my room. All the way down here, he's gonna notice. We gotta act like we showered. Put this on because we can't let my dad see that we're literally soaking wet.
Okay. I won the competition and now it's time to figure out what those girls are up to because I know it's something.
Get on the bed. Peyton, go. Okay.
Let's go.
The problem is that everything's in the laundry room and I just put more stuff in the laundry room.
Either way, I won. Like again, I am on fire.
We just need to hope that he doesn't go in there and we'll be fine. Yeah.
Hey girls,
Yeah. Yeah?
can I come in?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey.
You finally got out.
Yeah, I won.
It took you a long time. Did you have fun?
I did. What have you been doing? I see camera people are still filming.
Yeah, we've just been like watching you and then we just took a shower and chilled.
Yeah. Okay. I know you guys were up to something up here. I heard the banging. I know it.
Why are you looking in my closet? Don't look in there, bruh. That's kind of odd.
Literally all we did was we chilled, we watched you,
Okay, all right.
and we worked out, and we watched your stupid monitor, which I saw you do the hit refresh, and it's gonna leave you less. What was it?
that.
What was it?
It was if you're trapped in a sauna and it's hot, hit refresh.
Refresh
A lot. It's good, right?
lot.
So you guys were just chilling, it seems. I thought you might
Yeah,
have been
your
out.
hair looks awful right now.
Okay, so I guess I should go shower.
Yeah.
All right, well, congratulate me for my victory.
Congratulations.
All right, well, okay. Weird, I thought, okay. All right, good night.
Good night.
I won. Team Jordan, say it.
Team Salish, say it.
I thought they like at least redecorated her room. It was like, what was all the banging? I don't understand.
He had no idea. He sat on the bed and he didn't know. Like, we're genuinely goated. Like, he didn't even notice. He said goodnight, so there's no way he's coming back. Exactly. Like, he never comes back in my room when he says goodnight.
All right, well, first thing I gotta do is wash my shirt because it's disgusting and sweaty. What is that? Hold on. Is that Salish's bed?
I just got some love deep inside of me.
What?
Today, I'm gonna build a secret pool in my house, but if my dad finds out, he's gonna freak out.
No!
So to keep him distracted, I trapped him in the elevator.
Say? What am I doing in here?
And the only way for him to get out is by completing 5 really hard challenges. Starting with cup stacking.
Finally. Okay, can I come out?
No! You have to stack all the cups to the ceiling, and if they fall, you have to start all over again.
So I'm never getting out of here.
Nope. Bye.
To the ceiling, Salish, no!
Good luck. That's gonna take him a long time, which is good because I have so much to do. Come on, Colin, let's go. I've wanted a pool forever, but my dad said it's a huge waste because he doesn't think that we would use it. So I'm gonna build my own secret pool under this trampoline without telling him to prove that I would use it every day. First step is to figure out how to take off the trampoline so I can put the pool inside. And I got this entire idea from Ben Aslar because he hid under the trampoline. The whole team is here because my dad thinks that we're doing a tiny elevator video and they're here to help, but that's perfect because now they can help out with this. Colin, Ro, Del. Wait, you're Colin. Del, Rowan! Okay, now that we have the crew here, we can really get started taking off the trampoline to make room for the pool. Colin!
What?
That's not helping me. Meanwhile, my dad seems to be making progress, but he doesn't realize that there's no way to reach the ceiling with that strategy.
I did it. I stacked it. They didn't fall, but it's not anywhere close to the ceiling. How am I supposed to get to the ceiling?
I am really hoping he doesn't finish anytime soon, or he's going to catch me for sure.
Oh God, what do I do now? I have no idea if this is gonna work, but I have to try something. Oh my God, this might work.
The reason that I picked the cup stacking thing first is because it is literally impossible, especially for him. He has no eye-hand coordination or whatever. It's probably gonna take him literally like hours to do, so I have more time to finish the entire pool. Okay, now I have this monitor so that I can watch my dad.
No, 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 no!
All the cups just fell, so that sucks for him.
He'll be
So
busy
let's
for a
keep
while.
going. I'm having second thoughts about this plan. Ew!
This looks pretty gross.
I'm not gonna swim in there. I got a pool to put in there. It arrived when I wasn't home, so I had Hudson hide it somewhere for me. Okay, Hudson, I have a question. Where'd you put the pool?
I hid it upstairs in the attic so Mom and Dad wouldn't find it. I got you.
All right, let's go.
Say, let's hurry. Go, 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 go.
Meanwhile, my dad was trying a different plan. I'm pretty sure it's still not gonna work.
No, 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 no!
Yay!
Ah!
All right, let's go. How's it going, Dad?
I was 2 cups away!
Oh, that sucks. Try again harder next time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, the attic is like right there.
What? That is not tall enough to get up there.
Colin?
I had to get a ladder, but like really quietly. My dad has no idea what I'm doing.
What we're gonna do this time, if I use that corner, it might actually hold the cups in. It's like the perfect little nook, right?
Okay, do you see it?
Uh-huh.
Where?
Colin, I'm gonna need a lot of help right now.
I need to film though. Let's just get Ari. Let's get Ari.
Ari!
Wait, say, shh.
Is Ari here? What are they filming out there?
If he hears us here and we're doing something, he's gonna be super suspicious.
I need to get the swimming pool from here.
If you can film us, I'm gonna go up and try to grab it. Okay.
This is the Salish camera.
Salish, when did you become a videographer?
Since forever, what do you mean?
Can you take it?
Pass.
Hand up.
Pass.
I got you. You got
Nice
it?
job.
Salish! Oh my God! Hey, what are you guys filming?
All right, he's right here. Let's go. All right, Colin, we gotta start inflating this pool. There we go.
Say?
Yeah.
How big is this pool?
Hopefully big enough. All right, guys, this is pretty much inflated.
Salish, I'm about to be done. This is absolutely gonna work. Look.
Should we go knock on the door and scare him so he messes it?
Let's go, let's go.
No, 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 no! Salish, what are you doing?
Why would you put the cups right there?
It's stacking it in between. Salish, just stop. No, actually stop. Salish, stop. Ah! Salish! Ah!
I don't understand how it's that hard to cup stack. It's so easy.
When I give Salish tiny room challenges, like the first one lasts for 1 minute.
Is this it?
Oh, she found it! How did you find it? I'm sweating, I've got nothing to, how about some water?
Dad, open it up. There you go. I got you some water. You said you were thirsty.
Can you take the Dr. Pepper, Salish?
Oh, bet. Guys, I should have shaken this and then give it to him. Now that the pool is inflated, we just have to fill it with water.
We're gonna be here for a minute.
This time I'm gonna do a circle. No!
Do you like my fit?
Yeah.
I'm wearing this shirt because today is Team Water Day and a lot of YouTubers are raising awareness for clean drinking water, but I'll tell you about it later. Come on, let's go. Oh, freak, it's cold.
Say, this is the pool? You're gonna have 0 room. Like, you're gonna hit your head on the trampoline.
No, I'm not. Look, backstroke. This is only the first part of everything I have planned for the secret pool. But first, we still have a problem. Oh, ew! It was an ant.
Say, of course there's gonna be bugs. You literally have a dirt pond.
So maybe I need to cover the dirt.
Okay, with what?
A tarp.
Wait, do you have one in your garage?
That's a good idea, baby.
I just came up with an incredible idea. She said I have to stack the cups to the ceiling. She didn't say anything about starting from the floor.
You stack all the cups to the ceiling.
You see what I'm saying? So all I have to do is hold a bunch and they're stacked to the ceiling. Salish, I won!
Wait, Say, I think you just finished.
Oh my gosh, go on.
Go. Try, go.
Let's go check out my dad. Come on.
Wait, stop. Say, why are you wet? It's gonna be super suspicious.
Tell him I was doing an ice bath for the video. Oh, that ice bath was cold.
Look,
Hi, Dad.
I won.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. You said I had to stack it to the ceiling, which I did. You never said I had to do it from the floor. Okay, so I won that challenge finally. Wait, what are you doing? Why are you so wet?
I did an ice bath for the video. It was a challenge.
Where? Wow. You know we hate wasting anything, especially plastic, so all of these cups we're gonna continue to reuse and then eventually recycle them, and these, the ones still in packaging, we're gonna return them.
Is that a tarp?
Oh, yeah.
That says tarp.
Oh, we need steaks. Take a hammer and the steaks and then the tarp.
All right, let's go. Wait, no, I have to take the pool out? I need to take the pool out of the ground if I want to lay down this tarp. What do I do? But I've been filling it with water this whole time. I need help. Let's do this, Colin.
Let's?
Yeah, let's.
I'm sorry, I think this is a solo effort on your part.
I think I've trapped Salish in like 4 or 5 different tiny spaces, and what I'm really regretting, I never did the stack the cup challenge. That was so hard. Salish, if you're watching, let's see what you got next.
Wait, what's my dad saying?
Say, are you listening to me?
Shoot, he's calling me. Go.
Where's my next challenge? Say!
If you thought that last challenge was hard, wait till he sees this
The
one.
rule is if I open the door, I automatically lose. So I can't open the door unless I'm ready to quit. And I'm not gonna lose to my little girl.
Hey, sorry.
What's my next challenge?
Do you know what these are?
No.
Well, you gotta be careful with them because they're Squid Game cookies. So you have to cut out each shape, and if you accidentally crack one of the shapes, then you get a consequence.
What's the consequence?
You'll see.
No. Say, actually, I don't want to do this one. No, this is really hard.
Have fun!
I have to be really gentle because these could just break. For those of you who haven't seen Squid Game, this is almost impossible and seriously stressful.
Ari, you gotta go film my dad, okay?
Okay.
But you can't tell him, okay?
Tell him what?
Exactly, Ari, thank you.
Okay.
We have a lot more work to do.
I'm going.
Oh, Jordan! Can you open the door?
Yeah. What?
How's it going?
Wait, what is she doing out there?
Let's worry about what's happening in here. I think you have a challenge.
Yeah, I gotta
Let's focus on that. She's good. I have this for you.
Also, I'm gonna need a chair.
Yeah, just stay nice and cozy in there. Okay?
I'm running out of time. I still have to take the pool out, then dump all the water out, and then put the tarp on, like the entire trampoline area, and then fill it with water.
Wait, how are you filling the whole tarp with water?
I don't know yet, Colin, but I don't know if my dad's like good at cutting the cookies or whatever, so we gotta go.
Here's your chair.
And this is pretty much all the space in this entire elevator.
Yeah, that's super cozy.
I'm not allowed to open this door, but since you opened it, I can look out.
I'm gonna close it then. This camera here, we're gonna be watching. Make sure you don't cheat or break the cookie.
Oh, I'm so useful. I did all that. Good job, Salish.
The triangle is the easiest, and the circle, and then the star and the umbrella are super hard, so why don't I just start with the easy? This is gonna take a while.
Now I'm using this staple gun and stapling all of this to a piece of wood to make it nice and tight. Wow, I should be a handyman.
I heard this was the secret. Ugh, it tastes like salt. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be.
All right, guys, check it out. Look how nice it looks. He's finishing the Squid Game cookies way faster than I expected. If I don't figure out a better way to fill the pool, then I'll be in so much trouble when he gets out of the elevator.
Something is going on.
Hopefully he has an answer on how to get the water in here fast, because there's no way I'm gonna finish before my dad gets out of the elevator. Hi, Mark.
Hey, Salish.
Okay.
Shirt.
Oh, thank you. Yes, Team Water.
Let's go. Team Water. We got this.
I'm making an outdoor pool, and I don't know how to fill it. Garden hose is taking way too long. Is there like a way to speed it up?
Let me see the pool you're trying to fill.
Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna donate $1 for every gallon to Team Water.
Every $1 you donate gives clean drinking water to someone for a year.
So how many gallons do you think it is?
I think it's probably 2,000.
Okay, that's great. We're gonna donate $2,000.
That means 2,000 people will have clean water for a year. Do the neighbors have a pool?
Yeah, they actually do.
If you have a sump pump, just take it from their pool. That'll be a lot higher than just like water pressure from the city.
That's actually such a good idea.
Because all you're really doing is creating like a pressure differential. So as the pump spins, it's kind of
Yeah. Thank you for all your help. Bye. Thank you. Colin, where would I even find the sump pump?
I don't know, like, can we go check around the house?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, 1 down, 3 to go. Now I'm moving on to the circle cookie, which is a whole lot harder since it doesn't have the straight edges that the triangle has.
All right, I think the only place that this sump pump would be is in this closet. I've only been in here like twice.
I didn't even know this was here.
Colin, is this a sump pump?
Yeah.
No cap?
Yeah.
It's breaking around the edges, so that's making me super nervous. I don't even know how that happened.
All right, I got the pump now. I gotta go convince my neighbor to let me borrow her pool water. Before we, oh shoot, I spelled my name wrong.
What? Dude.
What do I do?
You gotta accept it now. You're
Okay, I'll turn this into an L. Fine. Right?
Yeah.
S-A-L-I-S-E. Time to fill the pool with the water.
Yes. Come on! 2 down, Salish! 2 to go! Look at it.
Ew, I'm not touching that.
I've gotten this, and I've gotten
Well,
this.
those are the 2 easiest.
Okay, you might want to start thinking about my next challenge because I'm about to be done this
If
one.
you accidentally cut one of them in half, then you get a consequence.
Yeah, I've heard.
Hey, what's going on up there?
Oh, what's happening out there?
Nothing!
I think he's onto us.
Yeah, I think he's getting a little bit more suspicious.
I'm feeling good, I got 2. These 2 are harder.
Now I'm at the neighbor's house because they have a pool and I need to ask if we can borrow some water. I'm low-key a little nervous.
No, you got this. Deep breath.
Okay, this is good, dude. Let's go.
Ring the doorbell.
Go.
Hello?
I have kind of a random question.
Yeah?
Is it okay if I put this sump pump into your pool to like transfer water from your pool to mine?
How are you gonna do that?
So do you want to explain like what we're doing?
I'm making a YouTube video and I'm making a secret pool and trying to hide it from my dad.
It's a secret?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
secret.
Maybe I should like check
No, don't check with him.
and
Don't check with
see
him.
like
Don't check
what
with
he
him.
thinks.
I don't think you should check with him.
Oh, okay.
I have like a lot of adults helping me.
Not sure, you know?
Are you sure I can do it? I promise.
If you think you can do it and you have friends to do it to help
Yeah.
you,
It sounds fun, right?
sounds great.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Oh, wow, this one's hard.
I wasn't really listening to Mark's like little science lesson, so let's just try. Ready? Oh! Did anyone
Say.
want to tell me that that was gonna happen?
You need the hose, say.
That would have made a lot more sense if anybody told me that. Can I have the hose, please? Now I have to throw this hose over the fence into my pool. All right, Ari, I'm gonna go back to the house and I'm gonna tell you when to turn on the hose, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Make a little bit of progress. You can see some light through there.
Ari, I got it. Can you please turn on the water?
All right, Salish, water's coming.
Wow, Mark was right, guys. This is very efficient. This is how much the mini pool filled up in an hour.
This is way better than the other hose, say.
Yeah.
No. Oh no!
He just screamed, guys, and I think I know what that means.
I was so close. Are you kidding?
Hi, Dad. What's wrong? Broke it. Oof, that sucks. You want to know your consequences?
Sure.
You have to stay in here by yourself for an hour. But I'm not a monster, so I got him a little goodie bag to help pass the time. What are you doing? Back up.
What's happening outside? Wait, I thought I saw
Here you
what
go.
was the thing? Why do you keep slamming the door? I've only done 2 challenges. Now I get a consequence where I just have to sit here for an hour?
You were low-key right before. We're not going to be able to put the trampoline back on over because these
Right.
are covering where it attaches.
Right, that's what I was saying.
What if, like, maybe I could get a new one?
If there's a trampoline that goes entirely over it, you have another trampoline?
No, but we gotta go get one. Now I need to sneak out to Target because I need to get a huge trampoline and I need to get like a lot of decorations. So maybe I should go check on my dad before I leave. Because he'll just have the goodie bag full of things I picked out to keep him company for the next hour.
Jen, I'm glad you've got love, but I'm not gonna read this. Maybe I will. Like, what else do I have to do?
Hey, how's it going?
Dude, I gotta get out of here.
Love you.
How much longer am I stuck in here?
Hey, when I was in there, you made me sit around.
Okay, that's true.
Okay.
At least I gave you a bed. Salish. I'm gonna see what she got me. Let's go. I've got some snacks. Anybody watch Ryan Trahan's 50-day journey across America? Let's try ourselves some Joyride. Joyride is the bomb. Go, go.
We gotta go to Target.
Okay, what are we getting at Target?
Gotta get a big trampoline and all the decorations and the secret room stuff.
She's pranking me. Taylor Swift poetry? Could you just give me something real, like a phone? Could I have a phone? Magic 8-ball. This I can play with. Am I going to get out of here in the next hour? Cannot predict now.
All right, Colin, I haven't told you this yet, but in a little bit, 2 subscribers are coming and they're gonna see if they can find the secret pool. If the 2 subscribers can't find my secret pool, then my dad will never be able to find it.
I'm supposed to have things to do in here. I'm not supposed to just be in here with nothing to do, right?
Okay, so we gotta hide it like really well then.
I saw online that they had a huge trampoline here, so let's go look for it.
Salish didn't quit when she was in this tiny elevator, so I won't quit now, but I am seriously tempted to because this is boring.
All right, it's a huge box, so the employees are gonna bring it out to the checkout, so let's go, let's go. I had no idea what I was getting myself into with this trampoline.
Say?
Yo.
I'm pretty sure this box is one of 8.
But now I'll get the snacks and decorations for my secret pool. Starting with lights. I think they're gonna be over here.
Right.
I found lights. These lights look really good, right?
Yeah, those are
and
good.
these ones? Okay. This is gonna take a while, so cut back to my dad and see how he's doing with the challenge.
I'm bored. Oh, I'm bored. Okay, I kind of get the teddy bear thing. Like, it's reassuring. At least I'm not in here alone. I've got Teddy.
There we go. And Fresca, some people like that. And we'll get you some Fanta. Woo! Let's get some dried strawberries. I love strawberries.
Ooh, I love cloud popcorn.
We did not try this flavor. Do you think that's enough?
I think that's good.
Okay.
I think that's actually half the cart, so.
I gotta get some exercise. I can't really jump. Okay. On second thought, maybe I'll just take a nap. Has it been an hour yet?
We got everything we need to make the secret pool, but it's been over an hour already, so he'll probably be wondering where we are. I've been out of the house for a long time, so be quiet, be quiet. Shh. Shh. Let's take this.
Okay, I heard that. What was that?
There's still a ton of stuff left to bring in from Target, but Colin, we still gotta get the trampoline, and that's gonna be really heavy.
The whole trampoline?
Salish! Are you about to open this? Yes.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm bored. Give me something to do.
All right, Dad, your challenge is about to arrive.
Why are you whispering?
I'm not.
You're being so suspicious. Whoa! Ow! Ow!
I forgot not to whisper.
My challenge is about to arrive. What does that even mean? Ah, hi.
Hey,
Okay, what's... Oh, no.
pop every balloon. You'll find letters, and I'll make a sentence.
I picked that balloon challenge because it's gonna be really loud, so my dad won't be able to hear us building the trampoline at all.
Are you kidding? Seriously? I gotta pop each one of these balloons and then spell a word? Let's start popping.
I got the box. This side's hard because it has the zip tie. Okay, there we go.
Put it on the ground. Okay. Say.
Yo.
I'm pretty sure this box is one of 8. So where are the other boxes?
Yeah, I'm gonna need the team's help. They finished the trampoline. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is so awesome. And I'm gonna get to keep this trampoline. This is sick.
Say, shh.
Oh yeah, you're right. Who's finished? We're about to put the trampoline over it to cover it, but first I'm gonna jump in. Yay! This is so fun! Also, I wanted to tell you something super exciting, but I want to tell you in person. So let's meet up at the American Dream Mall in New Jersey on September 6th. It's gonna be free, there's gonna be a bunch of special guests, and it's gonna be so much fun, so I think you guys should come. Link in the description if you want more information. See you guys there. I've been wanting a pool forever, and this is the first time I've had a pool, so this is so exciting. I can try it.
Oh my God.
All right, everybody, can we please move the trampoline? This is so cool, and we have so much space. I gotta hurry up and decorate it.
My ears, I can't even hear anything. Ah!
There's gonna be the tiki bar, and then right here's beach, and then I got a cooler for all of my favorite drinks. So now we need to start setting up. And now let's pour the sand out. It's really heavy.
Can I have a hand?
Sure.
I knew you were gonna do that right as I said that.
Okay, we have like 12 more bags.
I know. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
Where are the letters? Aha, I see one. Wait, where'd it go? I can't hear anything.
All right, Colin, come on. Now we gotta decorate. There. Then we're gonna put the chairs.
Oh, I like it, the little beach action.
And then, Harry, look how cute that looks. Now we gotta get all the drinks and stuff. I low-key only like Dr. Pepper, so I'm gonna put a lot of Dr. Pepper into that cooler. Should we add a different flavor of soda? The subscribers might not like Dr. Pepper.
Who are they?
I'm not gonna tell you, Rick. We finished decorating the pool, but now we need to hide it because my dad is almost done with his challenge.
Every one of these balloons is biodegradable. It's not too much waste. Why was that so hard?
Okay, wait, I forgot one more snack. Got some popcorn. I saw these at the grocery store and I've been wanting to try them because they have amazing protein and I'm a vegetarian, so I like never eat protein, so these are perfect for me. But anyways, let's go, we gotta get back to work.
Now I gotta find letters, I guess, that spell a word or a sentence or something. A, all right, one letter. They're literally this small. How am I gonna find them all? Do you see any more letters? Ah, there's one.
Now I've got these for decoration and they glow in the dark. Oh, look, whenever it hits the water, it like lights up. Oh, all right, I have a couple more.
This is all the letters. Maria. T-A-M-A. I gotta hurry up. What is the word?
We're just gonna do the final touches, so we're gonna put up the banner, and yeah, then I think we're pretty much done. Let's go. The subscribers are about to get here, so I need to finish everything so they can test how secret the pool is.
T-E-A, Team Water. Got it. Team Water. Mr. Beast, Mark Rober, Stokes Twins, Ben Azelard, Brett Rivera, whoever's doing Team Water, thank you so much for your effort. We're going to donate a bunch. Please donate in the description. Let's give clean drinking water to every person on the planet if we possibly can. 1 out of 10 people on the planet do not have clean drinking water, so we are very lucky to have it. And for those who don't, let's start donating now and try and raise $40 million to give a bunch of people clean drinking water around the planet.
Guys, this is a blackout curtain, so we can't see anything.
Say, this looks great, like really good, but like he's gonna notice that.
He is, but what I'm gonna say is I saved up my money and I got a new trampoline and I can do more gymnastic skills with this. Don't worry, Colin, I got this.
Okay, I trust you.
All right, next thing. We need to test if the secret pool was well hidden. So to help me with that, I brought in Reem and Trude, their subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Basically, you need to count 60 seconds and then after the 60 seconds is up, you can start looking for me in the secret room, okay? Okay, come on, Colin, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, let's go. Do you see how nice that is?
Nice, it's like a little resort.
I know.
I got a Team Water, look, right there. What's my next challenge? I want to get out of here. When are we doing this next? Finally.
Hi, here's the deal. Get 2 of these sides right in 10 minutes, or you're gonna get a lovely consequence.
Okay.
Great luck.
Thanks.
Who's never gonna get this.
Okay. 10 minutes, 2 sides. I've never been really much of a Rubik's Cube guy. Hey, what are 2 kids doing here?
The thing that's weird about this is they're testing if they can find this secret pool room. If they can, then I know what to change for when my dad's looking. Okay.
Okay, yes, got 1. I got 1 side. Can I just do 1 side?
No, 2.
Ah!
Well, don't worry. You're gonna love the consequence.
Go! Oh my gosh! Go in there. It's in the mirror.
Whoa.
She's not in here.
What is going on? Something's seriously up out there.
Go outside! We haven't been outside!
He's never gonna be able to do this. Look at how old he is.
No, I can't do Rubik's. She knew I couldn't do a Rubik's Cube. I've lost the blue. I've lost the blue.
Hey, is she like under there? Could there be something like under there?
I'm stressed out, guys.
There's sand. I found cameraman.
Colin! What? They found you!
I found you!
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
You gave it away.
What? How?
Yeah, I saw a fuzzy thing with the camera.
What?
Colin!
I saw the yellow, like, whatever these things are. And then there's little holes between that black stuff. And then I saw you.
No.
Colin! If you weren't here, then they wouldn't have seen me.
That is a good point. We thought you guys were gonna jump on the trampoline.
How about?
5.
No,
4,
stop! I can't!
3,
I didn't do it! Just
2,
stop! Give me a minute!
1.
Give me 2 minutes! No, I didn't do okay, listen, what's the consequence? What is Salish actually doing out there?
That was way more fun than I thought, actually.
Can I get a towel? Thank you. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, thank you so much.
Bye, Say. You're welcome anytime.
Oh, Salish, okay. Game on, Salish.
All right, my dad's almost out of the elevator, but before, I want to have a pool party. Come on, girls. Come on. Hey, that was a pretty good job.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, now let's shoot. 3, 2, 1.
And after a long day, my old trampoline went from this to this amazing pool.
Just get me out of here. I'm ready for my next challenge. Salish, I'm ready for my next challenge.
Okay, Dad, last challenge. It's outside. You gotta put on all of these t-shirts, okay?
Why are you in a towel? What have you been doing? What have you been, why are you in a towel?
I'm gonna go change because I'm freezing right now. But also afterwards, I'm gonna add another layer of the black curtains.
Final challenge is the 100 t-shirt challenge. Very smart, Salish. Let's get started. It's already hot in here. Oh, God. Just wanna go take a shower, get something to eat. I've had Joyride to eat all day. Joyride.
The number one thing that Dream and True said was bad is that they could see through the blackout curtains, so I added another layer. Guys, he has so many t-shirts on. Oh my gosh, he might be like almost finished. So guys, we have to make the backyard look exactly like how it did before. Come on, I can help. What should I do? My socks, yes!
When I'm done with this, we're gonna donate all these t-shirts to a local shelter, but don't worry, I'll wash them first. Oh, I'm gonna get her back. Guys, comment below what I should do to Salish when it's all over. I can't wait to get out of here. I am so close to being done. Last one. Let's go! Come on! Get me out of here! Salish!
Okay, all done.
He's done. Say he's done.
We have to go.
Say, go,
Do we
go,
hide?
go. Yes, go hide. Go.
Salish, you gotta let me. Salish!
Act normal.
No,
guys,
I got you.
Guys, act normal. Just act like we've been setting up the challenges for him, okay? Colin?
I got you.
You suck at acting normal.
I'm perfect. I'm so good at it.
No. I need to get my dad upstairs so he doesn't get suspicious and start looking around.
Salish, I hear your voice. Come get me. Get me out of here. Say!
Hi, Dad.
Yes! I won!
Oh, Dad, you look very sweaty. Let's go take a shower.
That was rough. It's dark out? I've been out this long?
Yeah, can you go take a shower? You smell and look terrible.
You're right, I should. Okay,
yeah,
thank
go
you.
take your shower.
Wait a minute, what have you guys been doing?
Nothing, literally nothing.
What?
Nothing.
I heard you. You've taken, what, 6 showers today and a cold plunge?
2 cold plunges.
Why?
For team water.
Okay, so you took cold plunge. Is that all you did? What else have you guys been doing?
Nothing. Dad, you smell terrible. You should not go out there. The team is out there.
Okay.
This is unprofessional, embarrassing.
Yeah, I can smell you from here. It's pretty bad.
Okay.
Yeah, go take your shower.
Hello. Hey, the video's over. Why are you still filming me?
It's just such a good shot.
Okay, I understand. It's brutal. Those were good challenges Salish came up with, actually.
You said he's taking a shower?
Yeah.
That means it's gonna be right there. He's gonna see everything from down there.
You're right, and we can see the lights. We need to turn off the lights. Go, go, go. Get inside, get inside.
Don't you need to change? You're kind of not ready to go out.
Why is everybody so concerned about me changing? I don't know. This feels weird.
Say, we gotta go.
We gotta turn it off. How do I turn it off?
I don't know. It's the button on the side.
Okay, where's the button on the side? Oh,
no.
Colin!
No, say, no. What's happening?
I can't do this. Colin, which one is it? Oh, I did it.
Okay, perfect.
Wait, okay. I turned it off.
Are you just following me into the bathroom, Sandy? All right, be honest. What were you guys building?
We were just doing the, trapped the elevator.
You sure?
Yeah.
There was no drilling?
No.
Cap, I know there's drilling. Something is going on. Something is going on. What is going on? What is going on? Okay, oh, now there's another camera? Okay, something's up. Oh, what? There's a new trampoline out here? Why? Where's Salish? Dude, this is super sick. I'm gonna play on it. I don't know why we have a trampoline, but this is so cool. Why was she hiding this from me? Hey, watch, I've got so much padding, I'll actually do this. Woo! Woo! Okay, that was my neck. Okay, that let's not play that. Don't play that back. Cut that part, that was awkward. This is... What is going on? Wait a minute, there's light shining through. Sandy, what is up? Salish! Okay, what is going on? Why is there light underneath this new trampoline, Sandy? Oh. What is this? Is this what you...
Are you mad?
I don't know. You build a secret pool.
Yeah.
With like a beach and everything. This is actually so cool.
Really?
Say, help me get out of this.
You got that? Oh my gosh, Dad. How many t-shirts are you wearing?
Let's go. Oh, I can't even believe how awesome this is. I mean, I'm gonna do laps every morning. I can't even believe it. Bigger trampoline, a hidden pool, and I didn't have to pay for a dime. You know what's so crazy about this, Salish?
What?
I was literally about to get us a new pool, but we could just use this.
Wait, what?
Team water. Colin, you can go. Salish, you can go. I'm staying here all night. We got a pool. I saved myself so much money. This is awesome, and she paid for all of it.
Jordan, you're gonna want to check your credit card.
Wait, what? Today, my daughter Salish and I build 2 secret rooms to hide from Mark Rober. I cannot believe she's making a secret room in the foam pit. He's got only 1 hour to find us.
He's coming.
Salish! The winner gets a brand new Matter Cup. We are in Mark Rober's warehouse.
And it is filled with a ton of secret rooms, like this one. Look, come on. Come on. Look, gotta go. We only have an hour until Mark gets here, so we have to hurry.
We each have to find a hiding spot, build a secret room, and decorate it before Mark arrives.
Whoever Mark finds first loses, and whoever wins gets a custom Matter Cup designed by Mark Rober. Where am I gonna find a secret room? Okay. Ooh, I could do like a trap. No, ew.
This is the outer office of Mark's warehouse. It's kind of like a huge decoy room. The actual warehouse is in there. Speaking of decoys, wait around because I'm gonna set some for Mark. The couch thing. You know how they do it with the secret rooms? I could actually just hide right in it. Hold on.
This is so cool. So if you close that, then this can turn into a sliding bookshelf and it can cover this door, and then I could hide in this closet. The only problem is Mark knows about that sliding bookshelf.
Anything I break or rip or destroy in this warehouse, I have to pay for. Oh, what if I find my secret room already, like 1 minute in? That would be crazy.
I think that might be vintage.
The couch is vintage? Is that expensive? All right, well, now that I've done it, let me see if it works.
Ooh, okay, this could work. These foam things cover it so he can't hear me. I can barely hear myself. And then I could like get more of these panel things and like block it off right there, and all of here could be my secret room. That's low-key kind of good. I'll keep that as an option.
I don't know if I can fit in this. This might be better for Salish. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That didn't work as a secret room, but I'm gonna leave a little note for him in case he looks there, so wait to see what it is.
There's no way. Couch?
I've already destroyed a vintage couch in the first minute. It's gonna be expensive. This vending machine is a secret room. Maybe I can build a secret room in his secret room. Hidden behind the vending machine is a ladder that leads you to a claw machine. I think this could work.
What about over here?
Oh, say, what do you think of this spot?
That's so obvious, that sucks.
Well, no, Don't even.
If you pick that spot, I'm for sure winning the Matter Cup. Actually, that's a perfect spot. You should stay there.
Then I'm not picking this spot because whatever Mark did to the Matter Cup, I want to win it.
Okay, look at this hole. Okay, it looks hollow.
What about the laser cutters right here?
What if, 1 second.
Wait, what is she doing?
I grab this.
No, actually, wait, whoa. No.
What?
You cannot break down his wall.
Why not?
Because I have to pay for everything we break.
Okay, can I have it really quick though?
Yes, but don't use it to, well, why do you want, no. Who leaves their safe open? A safe is a classic secret room spot. The problem is, it's an actual safe, so I couldn't break through the back. Too bad, that would have been awesome.
What if I put a fake wall here in college? Do you think I could fit? Look.
It's gonna be really tight.
Okay, yeah, maybe not. Dad, have you found your spot yet?
No, have you found yours?
Nope.
I'm getting the Matter Cup.
I'm gonna get the Matter Cup. Whoa, what if I like hide in this? Whoa. Okay, it feels cool. This is great, but Colin, can you try closing it? Oh wait, no, this is so claustrophobic, not this hiding spot.
Say, come here, I've got an idea for a decoy. This can help both of us because it'll slow him down. If I can just like,
Dad!
Okay, that was open.
You're gonna have to clean that. I'm saying, Dad, you still gotta find your spot.
I'm gonna use these as a decoy for Mark, so wait to see what happens. This shouldn't take long. Or maybe it will. I want to say one thing though. Crunch Labs is the very best product by a YouTuber. It lets kids think like engineers. Salish has done it for years. We love it. Link in description if you want to get yours. I'm starting to panic. I'm running out of time. Oh man, if this box was bigger, I could just fit in there. Wait, I can just build a bigger box. Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, you've seen me. I don't know how to build a box. Oh, no, what? Now I gotta figure out who's gonna build a box. I'm gonna win this thing. Oh, hey, Say, I just found my spot. What if I just made a box double that size and hidden that, huh? Oh, yeah.
He's gonna notice there's a new box.
No, it's gonna be the same color. Just trust.
Hey, Dad.
Matter Cup.
I never care about the Matter Cup, but Mark built this one, so it might actually look really cool.
Time to start building. Oh. Is it bad I'm already tired? Remember last time I tried to build something? That didn't go so well. You don't let me! I don't have any help. I didn't plan. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna call Mark, see if he can help me out. Mark, you're gonna be here any minute, and I need to build a secret room, and I don't know how to build anything.
You haven't even started?
No, I haven't started.
This may just look like a normal mirror, but if you turn this on, the lights turn on, then you open this, and this is like the Mark Rober Museum. He's put every cool thing from his video in here.
What about Salish? Has she already come up with a good spot?
Look, I don't want to talk about Salish. I'm just focused on me right now, okay? I can't lose to this kid again. I can't.
I'm tired of her winning just as much as you are.
Thank you.
Just like the secret room we built at our house under the stairs, I could build like a fake wall and clear everything out, and then I could just hide in there. That's also a good option.
Do you have a builder?
A builder.
Oh, thank you.
I'm calling them right now.
Yes.
I'm sending them, but just know I'm still going to find you.
Just find me after you find Salish. That's all I'm saying. You won't be able to find me. We're gonna build an epic secret room.
This is where the foam pit is. Maybe I could make a secret room and I could hide under there. Looks a little bit dusty, but that might work.
Give me a Team Jordan.
Team Jordan.
Yes! Salish doesn't have any clue how to build anything either, and she doesn't have any help, so if she calls you, don't give her help, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Yeah! I'm gonna win the Matter Cup. Come on, finally!
The foam pit actually might be a really good secret room, but we still have to check from the other side.
Because the Matter Cup is now the Rober Matter Cup, the loser has to do dishes for an actual month at home. So I am dying to win because I hate dishes. This is Bear, and Mark sent him to help me build my secret room. So come on, I'm gonna win the Matter Cup. Bear, come on, baby! Yeah! Yeah, Matter Cup! I wanna build a bigger box just like this that can be my secret room.
But he'll notice. I guarantee.
Look, I don't have any other ideas. I'm panicking, okay? All right, come on, let's just build the
Okay.
Salish! Oh! You're going down. I got somebody to help me. I'm all set.
Good
I'm
job.
good, yeah. All right, cool. Okay. All right, good luck. I'm going to Target to get my stuff.
Since you're already going to Target, can you get me some stuff?
No, I'm competing against you. I want to win the Matter Cup.
Please?
No.
Please?
No.
Please?
No.
Please. Thank you.
Have I ever said no to her? No. Of course, Salish sent me a long list. No idea how I'm supposed to get done all of this in 10 minutes, plus my stuff.
I've watched a ton of the Crunch Labs videos, so I already have a bunch of ideas of where to hide. That's why I always win the Matter Cup, because my dad just shows up and thinks he's gonna win.
Why would she need a blanket? It's hot in there. It's a secret room with no air conditioning. If you're building a secret room, I guess you have to have LED lights for absolutely no reason.
Oh, you got it.
I did?
I think I've searched everywhere in this warehouse except for this. What if we like poured? No. I think the foam pit's our good option. If I did the foam pit, I would have to take all the foam out, build a box, put it in, put all the foam back in, then clean all of it to make sure you didn't see any of the foam. That sounds like a lot of work, but I think it's worth it, guys.
How much are you gonna eat in an hour? You never have too much candy for a secret room. I gotta hurry, running out of time no matter what. No, no! Oh.
Hey, I just wanted to let you know I found my spot and you're never gonna find it.
I literally know every square inch of Crunch Labs. If you last 10 minutes, I will give you a lifetime subscription to Crunch Labs.
So you're saying if you don't catch me, I get free Crunch Labs for life? Yeah, I'm gonna win. You're not gonna find me. So you're Team Salish?
Yeah, I'm Team Salish. I like that you win it every week. Don't tell him I said that.
Yeah, obviously.
I'm hardcore Team Salish.
Yay, good luck. Now it's time to get all the pit out.
I don't mind that I'm wasting all this time buying stuff at Target because Salish has to build a secret room all by herself. Yeah, good luck with that, Say.
You didn't think I would be able to do this all by myself, right? But it's okay because I planned for it.
I just got a text from Mark and he is running 30 minutes late. Come on! I might have a chance to win this thing.
I just got a text that the team is here and now it's time to start the build. Can you guys clean the faux pit?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. They're working on the pit and now the builder is here. Now it's time to get the supplies in. I know my dad didn't think of this. Oh yeah.
We've already competed once against Mark and you can check that out on his Crunch Labs channel after this video. And now, time to win the Matter Cup.
Are you almost done? Thank you so much.
Check it out.
Wow, it looks so good.
We've got this. We're gonna use it as a handle. This is so ridiculous. It's too big. You're gonna notice.
All right, Say, I've got all your decorate. What is going on? There is no way. Who are these people?
My friends.
I've known Sam since he was born. He's a family friend. You're Team Salish? Of course. What is it? Everybody's team. Are you kidding me? This place is complete.
You wanna go in?
No, I don't want to go in.
Go in.
No, whoa! Whoa! I cannot believe she's making a secret room in the foam pit. No, Salish!
I'm still working on building the room. Thank you guys so much. I'm sorry I can't help. I'll check on you guys later.
Team Salish! Her room is gonna be sick. I gotta get mine finished. Wait, that thing is huge. He's gonna totally be able to tell. Why didn't you tell me?
I told you.
He'll notice. I guarantee. This is cool. Oh! All right, there's plenty of room. I guess it had to be this big, right? Because I couldn't fit in anything. You think he'll be able to tell?
I think he'll notice. It's not gonna work.
Hey, what do you think? This is my secret room.
That's so bad.
What do you mean? This is awesome. It's the same exact color.
It's like 8 times in size.
Do you think I have to find a new secret room?
Yes, but this would be a really good decoy.
That's a good idea, but I still have to find a secret room. Where do I look now?
I don't know. You do you.
We can build a box in the foam pit. We can build a secondary box that you can sneak into if he finds you.
Oh, that's such a good idea. Thank you so much. Goggle. I like this one. We finished building all the pieces. Now we have to put it in the pit and then assemble it. Colin, look inside. It's so cool. Look, open up. Imagine I was doing this all by myself. This team, let's go. We got this.
What is that?
Hello.
Are you kidding? How?
I have a team.
How big is this? Like a New York apartment. Oh man, I gotta get to work. Come on, Team Jordan. It's the 9th inning, baby. Let's go. I was thinking box is not working. I don't know. No, there's nowhere to hide in there. Wait a minute. Wait. Look, there's a natural line here. What if we build a wall right here? I hide back there, put a mirror there. That could work, actually. Dude, I think this could work. Okay, I gotta get started. Bear, we need to build a big wall. Can you build a wall that looks just like this wall and it's right here so I can hide behind it? And can you do it quickly?
Yes, I can do it.
Yes, come on, I'm gonna win the Matter Cup.
So this is what the room looks like. Here's the rug and a beanbag what I'm gonna sit on, and then a bunch of snacks because we're gonna be in here forever because Mark is never gonna find me. Some slime, secret room, which you'll see later. Holes so we can breathe. And on the TV, I'm gonna watch Outer Banks. And here's our AC, and we'll go to high because it's so hot in here, guys. Oh. Perfect.
I think I'm about to win the new Mark Rober Matter Cup because check this out. I mean, right? It looks like the same exact closet, but da-da-da-da. Team Jordan! Look at this. Come on, you're going down. Look at this.
What am I looking at?
You're looking at my secret room. You didn't even realize that there's a wall right there. Look, check it out. Huh? What?
Where's the mirror? Why would there be a mirror if it was covered with things already. Oh my gosh, I'm so winning. He's about to be here, Dad. Oh my gosh, yay, I'm gonna win.
Salish is actually probably right. I'm gonna need to stack things to cover all this. But then how do I get in? Oh, you're kidding me. You're gonna hide all the foam.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're supposed to be on my team. Why is everybody Team Salish all the time? There's still a ton of foam. You are running out of time. She only has 10 minutes left to get all that foam out of here, or he's gonna find her and I win the Matter Cup. I will pay you twice whatever Salish is paying you to stop right now. Will you both?
Last thing before Mark comes.
Mark is almost here. I gotta set some decoys to stall him. Wow.
Maybe there's a way to make this a really good decoy and then scare Mark. Watch what I'm gonna do.
I'm about to plaster this entire wall with a very funny photo, and he's gonna have to pull them all off before he can go in and check. That's gonna delay him. We already know that Mark is gonna look into this box, so he's gonna find a nice little note, but something even more. So wait to see what happens.
This is gonna be the easiest game of hide and seek I've ever played.
Mark is already here. Please don't break, please don't. Ah, that's breaking. A little tight in here. World's smallest and hottest secret room. Matter Cup, here I come. Thank you, Say. Good luck.
Yep.
I'm gonna win the Matter Cup. Team Jordan! I'm gonna seal this so there's no light coming through the cracks.
Mark is literally outside. I have to get in the secret room right now. Quick, quick, quick. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I need to win this challenge. Oh no, it's jammed. Oh, there we go.
Time for an eagle turn.
Oh, there he is.
Ready or not, here I come.
Oh my God, he's here. He's already looking around. Salish and I will use monitors to see everything Mark is doing, but he has no idea we're watching.
Oh, Jordan! Salish! Say hello to my little friend!
Why does he have a gun?
Come and get me, Mark.
I know every inch of this place.
You didn't even see the decoy door, Mark. Time to give you a little tour of my secret room. Mario Brothers sign. Always been a fan. My hidden window. The smallest secret room you could possibly have.
Okay, okay.
I'm thinking like an engineer, and the engineer in me says they're inside here.
What's up? Oh, gosh! Oh, my God! All right, decoy. You tell me where Jordan is, or you tell me where Salish is?
Right now, he's trying to get Bella to tell Mark where we are.
No, I'm not telling! What? Get back here! Who do you work for?
Not you!
That is true, actually.
Yes, Bella, yes!
Wow! Not cool, Jordan! Not cool, Salish! I really thought I solved this. That was good, though. What is this?
Oh my gosh. Dad, what are those photos?
Look at those abs. You wish you had those abs, Jordan.
I do wish I had those abs. That was faster than I thought it would be.
You knew the first place I'd come to. Sometimes in the dark areas. I just shoot. If you hear a scream, you know they're in there.
He just shot the bottom of the pit.
Nothing. Okay. Huh. I might have to upgrade to this guy. Dang it!
Is that all? Oh my God, is he gonna find her right away?
He's coming. Yes, he's right here.
It's a clue. Oh, he's going in the pit.
Cannonball! Well, pits are really hard to get out of. It's like quicksand.
She's right down there, Mark.
What's that noise? Salish, if you're at the bottom of this is gonna be hard to find.
He's so close to us.
I found something.
He found the decoy box.
It's a box of foam blocks.
If he just goes a little further back, I get the Matter Cup. He's right there.
He's so good in here.
He's literally right above us right now.
This is an empty cardboard box. Dang it! There's nothing else in the foam pit. That was another decoy.
He just said there's nothing else in the foam pit. That was another decoy.
No!
He's leaving now. We're gonna move back in. I have a feeling Mark wants my dad to win, so that makes me want to win even more.
They've had several decoys for me, which was dirty. I didn't know decoys could be part of this.
There's no way Mark is gonna find me. I really want that Crunch Lab subscription.
It's time to upgrade my weaponry. Oh, Jordan! Salish! Come out, wherever you are!
He's using a flamethrower.
What? I see something orange over there that's not normally here. Interesting!
He realized that the orange box was a new box.
You guys forget, I know this place frontwards and back. What I know is that this is a new box.
Ah!
That gosh! Another decoy!
Fell for it!
The decoy went out.
Confetti cannon versus flamethrower. Yeah, that's what I thought. Is no one here on Team Mark?
No one's on teamwork.
Hey, look at this. The old Matter Cup. What a hunk of junk. Lucky for them, I made a much better one, which means they're not gonna need this piece of junk anymore.
Burning the Matter Cup.
Finally!
Oh yeah, look at it smoke.
That was the Matter Cup.
After they see the cup I made them, they're not gonna want this old warped piece of junk.
Let's go, Mark!
Oh, hey, look. This is where we designed the Crunch Labs build boxes, where I ship these to your porch every month, and then it's a toy where we build it together on camera, and I teach you all the physics principles of how they work. Like, this is like a wrist-mounted paper airplane launcher. This is like a crossbow catapult. Sorry, cameraman. This is a vacuum chamber.
Hey, Mark, you're running out of time.
If I win the Matter Cup, I promise you I'm going to buy one subscriber a Crunch Lab subscription for an entire year, and it is absolutely awesome.
Right. Where was I? There's a secret door back here. I've got a flamethrower and I'm not afraid to use it. They are doing a pretty good job hiding. Oh, this is new.
They're in the sound booth part.
This is my sound booth. I recorded here a lot, and therefore I know this is a new wall. I'm gonna kick this. If you're Jordan or Salish, it's gonna hurt a lot. Say stop and I won't do it. 3, 2, 1. Punks! Can you hurry up and find me already? I'm getting real tired of finding those signs.
I'm so happy I didn't hide in there.
Gotta admit, I thought I would have found them by now.
This thing does not have a bathroom, guys. Hurry up.
You guys are all Team Mark still, right?
Yeah! Mark, you got it.
That's what I thought. This is the vault where we keep all of the Crunch Labs build boxes. We've also got a safe. Oh, that would have been a perfect spot for Salish.
If Mark finds my dad first, then I still get the Matter Cup, but I have to stay hidden so that I can get that lifetime supply of Crunch Labs.
Salish!
It's getting crazy. He's running out of time.
There's no way. Couch? Whoa. You owe me a new couch, Jordan! I didn't check underneath the foam pit. I didn't check the claw machine.
I already thought of that. It's like the first thing I thought of.
Yoo-hoo! They are not in there, bud.
Dang it!
Oh my God, he's right here. I'm freaking out.
Flying elbow! Take this, Jordan! Dang, I thought that was it for sure. Not in the arcade.
He's right there. He's right there.
Bro, my dad is in the closet. He's right.
I'm going crazy. You want a hint? Gosh dang it, I feel like they're in my head.
He's right next to my dad.
They're anticipating my every move. Not in the freezer. Why am I checking the freezer? That doesn't make any sense.
I don't think he's gonna check the closet.
Oven!
He's going out.
Okay.
He's leaving.
I've upgraded my tool. I now have a mallet. Oh, hello. Normally there's a door here with a handle. That's new. I hope no one's behind here. It'd be a real shame if I hit this and someone's over there. Team Mark!
Just broke the door.
Another stupid sign. Mark, I'm not that predictable.
He found another photo.
But I am, apparently. Literally, all of my good ideas, they've got a stupid sign there.
Got you again.
It's gotta be it. It's like the only place I haven't checked.
No, there's one other place you have a check mark, and I'm sitting in it.
He's coming back to the foam pit. We're in the decoy room because he's coming back to the ball pit.
Okay, I legitimately just heard noises in there. Hey! I heard that! Oh my God! I legitimately heard something in here. Someone's at the bottom of the foam pit.
Oh, you heard her. Don't leave. You're not gonna leave.
Okay, I'm just gonna walk away because I guess no one's in here, so.
She can see you. She's watching a monitor.
Damn.
We can see you, bro.
Man. Where would they be? I do feel like normally the blocks are a little lower than this.
I swear to you, I'm about to win the Matter Cup.
No, it's gonna be too hard. Let's go back to the other room.
What? Where are you going?
There's actually a spot under the table in the office that I didn't check.
He's messing with us.
He doesn't realize she's watching him this whole time.
I heard something in the foam pit, so now we're really quietly gonna go back, and they won't know I'm there.
He knows we're in there.
Please, Salish, make a noise. Make a noise.
Positive, I heard something in here. Hey!
Just dig the foam out. You know she's in there, Mark.
Wait a second. We've got all these bins up here. Salish is small enough to fit inside one of them.
I could not fit in that box.
Ping pong balls? I don't think so. Come out, wherever you are! Ah!
Oh my gosh. What if I was in there?
Dang it! Time is ticking! Oh, I've got an idea.
It's going back up to the kitchen.
No. He's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming up.
Oh, I did not check in here! Yeah!
He's right next to my dad. Oh my gosh.
Where in the world? Oh, here's a secret door here. I think I know about this door.
That's my dad's room.
Well, they didn't do any of the obvious spots, that's for sure.
What? He's right there, bro. He was right there.
Jordan!
Hey, Mark. At some point today, you've been so close to me and you had no idea.
Don't say that.
Hey, I see where you're walking, by the way. I can see you.
What? No one told me.
If you're trying to sneak up on me in the foam pit right now, it's not going to work, Mark.
My dad just said you're...
Say that louder. Say something loud.
I don't know what you mean.
You. If you're in there. Oh, actually, I have an idea. I hear it on the phone. Oh, you just got owned. When I knock.
You're also hearing my audio on the monitor. You got 10 minutes left. You haven't found either of us.
I don't know where else to look. I'm just coming to the foam pit. You're going down.
All right, see you soon.
Hurry up. Close it. It looks like we've been in there.
Oh, I feel something here that should not be here. I know the foam pit should not be right here. There's a bottom here and it goes much, much deeper.
Oh no, he's found her.
They tried to distract me with the fake box. Yeah, I hear you moving down there. Oh, here we go.
He's gonna dig through all the foam.
I got it! Yes! I knew I heard something in here. Yes! Whoa! There's a secret room down here with a minute left. Yes! Wow, it's hot in here. What? How is there no one in here? I heard you.
I can't find them. They went into the second room.
There's a false wall. There has to be a false side. Oh, I found it.
He's gonna run out of time. Hurry, you got like 20 seconds.
There's a circle. How do I get through? Oh yeah, it just moved. I know you're over there. I feel you. I feel you. Are you okay? Yeah! Yeah!
No!
Salish!
Get me out of here!
I got her! Team Mark for the win!
No!
I finally won the Matter Cup.
I'll bet you $1,000 that I can find you in 5 minutes.
I'm looking at you. You can't have her help you.
Hey! You stay out of it! Stop looking at me!
I'll give you a hint. I am upstairs. 5 minutes starting right now for $1,000. Go.
Oh, I think I know her.
Can I give you a hint? You might need your hammer.
She's telling. No, that's not fair.
Mark, you might need this.
Thanks for the hint. These were closed. Salish is definitely not helping me. Did she glance over here? Maybe.
Oops.
Oh, that's it. Oh, that's not a solid wall. Jordan!
Yes!
Wow!
Boom! Dad, how great are you?
Salish, you helped him.
You owe me $1,000. May I proudly present the brand new Matter Cup to Team Jordan.
Oh my God.
Wow!
Oh, I cannot even believe how long I've been waiting for this. Mwah! Yes, yes, yes. No, don't cut. Don't cut. Keep celebrating.
Today, my daughter Salish lives alone for 24 hours. What could possibly go wrong?
Can I get the world's largest pizza?
What?
It's spilling, it's spilling.
She's spraying water in the house. Are you kidding?
I'm making a ball pit so that I can jump from the second floor to the first.
This is so bad.
I'm gonna jump now.
What the heck, man? This better be a prank.
You can't come into this house for 24 hours.
I got you.
All right, I'm 16 now, and I don't believe that you trust me to be here all alone.
I totally trust you. Of course I do.
Like you trusted me 2 years ago?
No, that was 2 years ago. You were 14. You're 16 now. I trust you 100%.
So then I'm gonna cover all the security cameras. Do you have a problem with that?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine with that. I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna go hang out. You're gonna quit in an hour.
Why would I quit in an hour? Like I can't live without you?
And are you guys wondering what we win? Poof. Lauren bought us this present. Neither of us knows what's in it. Whoever wins gets to keep it, okay?
Okay, but we all know that you're gonna come back.
All right, good luck. If I don't come back in 24 hours, I automatically win.
All right, you gotta go with him because nobody can watch what I'm doing.
Why? What are you doing?
You'll see, it's gonna be crazy.
Whatever, I'm just gonna dip.
Okay, cool,
I'm gonna just take a vacation for the day. You're gonna miss me. You're gonna call me in an hour and quit.
I miss you so much. My dad just left. Now I need to cover all the security cameras because he's definitely gonna be watching these.
I told Salish I would be at Starbucks all day, and I wasn't lying. The only thing I failed to mention is I'll be sitting in that surveillance van.
Now let's cover
This one.
All right, let me give you a tour. I got snacks, I got a comfortable couch. I'm right outside of Starbucks.
I've got my computer with all the security cameras.
I got Ari who's got a second camera. Of course, I've got my ring light, so I look young. What do I look? I must look like 20, 25 maybe. Ari, don't go more than 30.
Cover this one.
Oh man, she's turned them all off, Ari. You gotta be kidding me. I set up a whole surveillance van, then she blacks out the cameras.
Looks like there's just
One more to cover.
Oh, come on, Say. What do I do now?
I was gonna watch her on the security cameras. Of course I was. That's the point of this screen. And now she's turned them all off. So I'm just sitting in a van with no idea what she's doing.
Now I've got all of the security cameras covered.
so now my dad can't see me at all.
Okay, wait a minute. Oh, that's big. There's the courtyard outside, the kitchen living room, which is huge. That's enough for me to stay here and monitor her.
I know that I left a camera on. If I walk out the front door, there's another camera on. So anytime that I want to plan any of my pranks, I can come over here or over here and talk to you guys because my dad can't see or hear anything I'm doing right over here. I've got a few minutes, so let's start messing with my dad before the first part of the plan.
Okay. So,
I've got a whole day to myself.
Wait, the volume is still, wait.
I'm just gonna do a bunch of like crazy things.
If she's near those cameras, I can actually hear her. She thinks she blacked out all the security cameras, but she left one running, and that one also has audio. So not only can I see her when she's in the living room and kitchen, but I can hear her. As long as she stays there, I'm good.
last time I was home alone a couple of years ago.
Salish thinks she's vlogging all alone. She doesn't realize she left the camera on for me to monitor everything she says and does in the living room and kitchen.
I had a stair slide. I could like make
a room with like ball pit balls and
jump from the second floor.
Okay, the ball pit is something she's been obsessed with ever since Nadal said that in the birthday video.
And you put like foam pits right here, and you can jump off that.
Salish, if all you're gonna do is sit on the couch and vlog, I'm gonna be opening this present for myself tomorrow morning.
I said that before I knew she was actually moving forward with that ball pit idea. And of course, some other crazy ideas that are going to ruin our house.
Oh my gosh, there's water everywhere. My dad is gonna kill me.
Come on, I don't care, I don't care. Let's go, I'm done.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's here.
Come on, let's go.
I just checked to find my friends, and it looks like my dad is at Starbucks, so the coast is clear, but it's time to start with the plan and start pranking. He's gonna be able to see me right when I open the door.
Hi. Oh my god.
Okay, what is that?
Thank you so much. Can you just help me bring it in? Yes. Thank you so much.
What could she possibly have in there? That could be anything.
Is it good here?
Yeah, it's perfect there.
Okay.
Okay, I need to know what's in that package. All right, hold on, maybe she'll bring it into the kitchen.
Okay, guys, let me show you what I got. It is so crazy. God! I brought Colin!
All right, that package is like 6-7 feet tall.
Are you really still making 6-7 jokes, Jordan?
It's not funny anymore?
Hey, what's with the box, dude?
Oh, okay, I have to explain everything to you, okay?
What happened? She just disappeared.
I'm staying alone like this entire night, and my dad said that he doesn't think that I can stay alone. And I know that he's gonna be watching me from all these security cameras. So I taped up all the security cameras except for one camera right there.
She's just leaving it, what, in the hallway?
One outside, so you can't go outside, Colin, because if you go outside, then my dad will know you're here, and that's like not good.
I only have one camera working downstairs inside, and I need to see what's in that package. So I have a plan on how I can get another camera into that house. It's a little crazy, but it might work.
So I'm trapped here with you?
Yeah, don't make that sound like a bad thing.
Hey, Neely, how are you? Hello.
Hey, Jordan, how's it going?
It's going pretty good. Real quick, I'm at the Starbucks. Will you please come by that Starbucks?
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Thank you. That is our dog walker, and I'm gonna have her put a GoPro on our dog, and when he goes into the house, he's gonna be able to see everything.
Salish is gonna see a camera on the dog.
Yeah, she is, but I'm gonna figure that out.
Okay.
Colin, you stay here. I'm gonna go make a call that's gonna drive my dad crazy to set up one of the pranks for later, okay?
Who are you calling?
You'll see, but you gotta stay here because I'm gonna go over there so that my dad can hear like what I'm saying.
What is this thing? I'm so tempted to just open it right now. Lauren said both of us want this thing desperately. See who wins it.
I need to make a call really quick. Can I get the world's largest pizza delivered to my house?
World's largest pizza?
I need to feed like a lot of people.
Now it's obvious she's got a plan that a bunch of people are coming over to the house.
40 people?
Whoa. We never have more than 10 at a time.
$450? Oh, wow.
But it's gonna feed a lot of people, so I guess it's worth it. That's perfect.
$450 for a pizza? For an actual pizza? Oh.
Oh, can I please just pay when it gets delivered? I think my dad's credit card is here.
Salish, dude, you're killing me, so I'm gonna pay for that.
Oh my gosh.
The world's largest pizza?
Yes.
Salish, you know how we feel about wasting food. You better eat every slice of that pizza.
Are you gonna eat some of it? Because we can't waste it, and I don't know if I can eat 40 slices. So you can eat 39 and I'll eat one.
Okay, bet.
Perfect.
Neely just got here. Neely, hey.
Hey, what's happening? What is all this?
Okay, this is a long story. It looks weirder than it actually is. I know today you don't usually walk Moo, but if you would go to the house and walk Moo, that would be awesome.
I can do that.
Okay, great. You have a dog harness, right? I've seen it before.
Of course.
When you get Moo outside, I need you to put this GoPro on the harness.
Why am I doing that?
Well, okay, Salish is home alone. We're doing a YouTube video. It's a challenge. There's a big present at the end. Whoever wins. I can't go in there for the next 24 hours or I lose, but she just got a huge box. I don't know what was in it. I want Moo to find out for me. So what you do is you let Moo run around for like 5 minutes. Then come back in and say, oh, I need my harness back. I forgot my harness.
Got it.
Then bring the GoPro back to me.
You got it. Team Jordan.
How's that feel, Salish?
Let's go.
Wait, Jay,
What?
somebody's
What?
right there. Somebody's coming.
Colin, it's the dog walker. Colin, get under. Colin, go. Colin, get in. Be quiet, okay?
Problem is, we don't have a dog walker on the weekends, just during the week, so this is a little suspicious that she's even there at all.
Hey, Salish, how's it going? I'm walking Moo today. Oh, I thought normally you don't come on Sundays.
Salish is definitely acting suspicious.
How long do you think? About 15 minutes. Thank you so much. Come on, Moo, let's go. Have a nice walk. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Colin,
what's
you
going
good? You
on?
good?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get you out. Colin, this is weird. The dog walker never comes on Sundays. My dad definitely set it up. She's definitely spying for him.
Okay, I just saw that you got Moo. If she notices the GoPro and says, why is there a GoPro? So your excuse is, I want to start a TikTok account where I'm doing dog walking videos, so I'm just putting GoPros on all the dogs I walk. Forgot to take it, sorry.
I think he's definitely trying to see what you're up to.
All right, I think I should call him.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, let's
give him a call.
When you drop Moo off, see if you can see anything, okay? Anything suspicious, tell me.
You got it.
All right, thanks, bye. Wait, Salish is FaceTiming me right now, hold on. Oh, wait, shoot, wait, oh. Frick.
Did you hear that?
What was that?
Look.
She just FaceTimed me. I can't be in this van.
Thank God I was screen recording. Look, ready? Where is he? That is not a Starbucks. Hi, what was that about? What happened?
I don't know, it's just supposed to be bad connection, because I'm just in Starbucks.
No, but to me, you were like, oh shoot, and then you hung up.
No, I just spilled my coffee, sorry.
Also, where were you? The ceiling was a lot different than the Starbucks ceiling.
It's the same ceiling, say. Anyway, what's up? What are you calling me about?
I was just wondering why the dog walker came to walk Moo today.
I don't know, say. I don't control her schedule. Maybe mom asked her to come because she knew you'd be all there alone and she doesn't trust you.
Dad, I know that you asked her to come so that you could see what I was up to, okay? Stop the cat for real.
Actually, whatever. Don't worry about it. Listen, I gotta go back to work. Just quit. Let me have the present. Just quit. See ya.
First of all, the dog walker never comes on Sundays. Second of all, my dad was way too suspicious on the phone, so there's something happening. Colin, there's a GoPro. Colin. Actually, get over it. Colin, get in the box, Colin. Get in the box. Go.
Hi. How's it going? He did great.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Here you go, Moo. Thank you.
I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right.
Have a nice day.
This is super obvious. He's wearing a harness that he wasn't wearing before.
Hi, Moo. Oh, was your walk so good? I bet you're thirsty. Come on.
What I need is for him to walk around the hallway and anywhere else that I can't see.
Moo, there's nothing over there. Come on, let's just, come on.
Don't look at me, don't look at me, don't look at me. I hate this box.
This is such good news. I haven't seen Moo but like 5 seconds. That means that he's been in the hallway the entire time. So I'm about to find out what Salish is doing and more importantly, what was in that box.
All right, Moo, come on. Let's go upstairs and let's go sit. Oh, it's Neely again. Come on, Moo.
Hey, Salish.
Hi.
I forgot my harness.
Oh, yeah.
You may have noticed the GoPro on there.
Yeah, I did notice. What's that about?
Oh, she asked her about the GoPro. Of course she did. It was so obvious.
Yeah, I'm making a TikTok account, so I'm putting GoPros on all of my dog walks and.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your TikTok?
Halston Hounds.
Oh, cool.
Let's go! Salish tried to get her with the TikTok name, but that worked. All right, she covered it. I don't think Salish is suspicious at all.
Yeah. All right, come on, Moo. See you tomorrow.
Moo.
I just got footage. Neely is bringing it back to me right now, and I can see exactly what's happening in the house.
All right, go on. We're good now. Hey, Jordan.
Thank you so much. That was perfect. I saw it on the camera. Thank you.
Right on.
Bye. All right,
See ya.
let's check this out, Ari. Let's go. Come on, guys. Like, comment below. This was pretty smart of me. What do you think? I got a GoPro inside the house to scout the areas I can't see.
Come here. You don't want to drink out of the toilet?
The house looks exactly the same. Where's the box? This whole dog cam thing is actually kind of cool. So absolutely nothing is happening, and Salish is just having a good time with Moo. What is she saying? What? Eat anything you want?
What do you want? Oh, you could have Dad's coffee.
Is she feeding him from the fridge? But so far, I don't see any. Oh, yeah, behind the counter, nothing. All right, there's nothing there that is suspicious at all. Okay, wait, whoa, there's the box, The box is still standing, like nothing has happened. She hasn't opened it or anything. What is it? It looks like he's sniffing the box. Moo, what is in the, just knock it over, dude. Moo, show me what's in the box.
No, Moo. Hi.
I forgot my harness.
Oh, yeah.
That was a bust. That was a complete bust. The box is still there, it's intact. It hasn't been opened. Maybe that's just a big surprise for me at the end of the day. Maybe she's just waiting for me to come home to give me what was ever inside that box. Let's go with that.
She had a GoPro on Moo, okay? So I was like trying to drive my dad crazy because I obviously know he's watching the GoPro. So I was like trying to make Moo drink out of the toilet water, which I would never do, and feeding him like bad food. And then she came back and she like, oh, sorry, I forgot my harness. There was a camera on it and it was for a TikTok.
Likely story.
Yeah,
I don't believe that for a
likely
second.
story for my dad. All right, the pizza's here. You have to stay inside so that my dad doesn't see you on the cameras, but I'm gonna go get it, okay?
Perfect, yeah, I'll stay here.
No way, she actually got the pizza. She actually got the world's largest pizza, like literally the world's largest pizza is coming into my house right now. This thing is so massive they can barely get it into the house. What is she doing?
Hold on, don't follow me so my dad doesn't see you.
All right, it's right here.
When my dad sees this on the camera, he's gonna freak out.
She's having a party with 50 to 70 people. This isn't even funny. She knows I'm at Starbucks. She can check my location. She knows I wouldn't even be able to see the party if she threw it.
You can't get close to the pizza or else my dad will see you, but you can film like from right here.
Salish will not waste food, so she has a plan to eat all 100 slices of that pizza. I can't believe they even got it in.
This is huge.
I'm so excited to see this. Look at how big this pizza is. This is the biggest pizza ever.
And it's so good.
And it's also gonna feed so many people. Everyone's gonna love it.
I'll tell you what, Salish, you better watch out for Moo because he will eat that pizza.
Psst,
give me one.
This is so good.
Everybody is definitely gonna love this pizza.
But let's go. Keep sending it.
How are we finishing all of it?
Well, I'm not actually having a party, but it's okay. I'm gonna give the pizza to like the team afterward. It's like Rowan, Dell, Carson, all of them are definitely gonna want pizza. So none of it's going to waste.
A couple of weeks ago, Salish turned 16. Wow. And Nadal, like always, surprised her, which was awesome. And then they spent the entire night in Starbucks and they made what they want to be a secret menu drink. Basically a strawberry frappuccino. I can't believe it doesn't already exist. It was absolutely delicious. Comment below if you want to see the Nailish special as a secret menu item. And if you do, I'll make sure that Starbucks sees all of your comments.
Remember the last time I was home alone, I made a stair slide?
Oh yeah, that was actually really cool.
What's better than a stair slide?
I don't know, what's better?
A slip and slide.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
She's just like taking a nap? I can't see or hear anything. Where is she?
We're actually making a slip and slide. I need my dad to think that we're destroying the house, but really we're gonna have like a bunch of plastic and tarp underneath the slip and slide. I need to make sure my dad doesn't know that we're like covering everything, so that he needs to see all the pieces that like could destroy. Like he needs to see the slip and slide, the pool, all of that.
Okay, yeah, no, that makes sense.
All right, so I gotta go get that stuff.
Okay.
Well, you.
I'm doing it.
Yeah, is that good with you, Colin?
Yeah, no, it's cool. I was just like, I was filming, so I wasn't really expecting to
Well, you can film and
be in
do
a
it,
box
you know?
and
Well,
set
thanks,
up the whole.
Colin.
All right, and now I have to get the most
Important part of my slip and slide.
Slip and slide? What?
This is the tumble track, and I'm gonna put it in the middle of the hallway, and that's gonna be where I do the slip and slide.
All right, guys, I'm getting it right now.
Bro, this is actually so heavy.
We are building a pool in our backyard, which means there's no backyard. So does that mean that Salish is going to do the slip and slide inside? No, she would never do that. That would absolutely ruin the house.
That was so hard, and I had no help.
I've been trying to work on this.
All right, well, it doesn't look like you've gotten anywhere, does it?
Salish doesn't know that I'm watching her. She thinks she blacked out all the security cameras. So everything she's doing is real. She has no idea I can see and hear her. So what the heck is she doing with a slip and slide inside?
My dad hasn't seen this part of the house in a really long time, so he's probably freaking out because he has no idea what we're up to.
In order for a slip and slide to work, you got to use like oil or water. But you can't use either of those things in the house.
This is just a prank to get my dad upset, but this looks awesome, so I want to try it.
All right, guys, I'm about to try the slip and slide. Let me just put the phone
right there so you guys can see me. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fun.
She's doing a slip and slide inside the house and she's vlogging it?
Okay, I'm gonna go on the slip and slide now.
3, 2, 1.
Woo, let's go!
Woo! Oh my gosh, that was so much fun, but I think it needs to be a little more slippery, so Colin, should we get some water?
Yeah, let's do it.
Is she just messing with me? How could she be messing with me? Because she doesn't realize I'm even watching her. If she wanted to win this present, she would be doing this kind of thing to get me to go home and stop her from doing it.
My dad hasn't seen the slip and slide at all yet. When I put the water, he's gonna think that I'm filling up the whole house with water, and he's gonna get freaked out, and he's definitely gonna come to the house.
If I had all my cameras, then I could see what's in that box. That box is still driving me crazy.
All right, guys, I'm just getting the water right now.
I need this to be the slipperiest
slip and slide ever.
There is no way she's getting a hose.
Oh my gosh! It's spilling! It's spilling!
Jeez, you gotta be kidding me right now.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is crazy!
Okay, getting it nice and wet.
She's spraying water in the house. This is not a thing.
Bro, this is insane.
It's getting so wet.
How does she not know that you cannot spray water on a wood floor with walls? Of course she knows that. She's 16. She's known that forever, right?
It's all wet now. Oh my gosh, it went everywhere.
Oh my God. Ari, is there any chance she's pranking me?
Jordan, I have no idea.
Dude, okay.
Good job, you caught all of the water.
Thanks.
Except, Colin, it's actually spilling a little bit right here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the kitchen and I'm gonna be like, oh no, we need a towel, okay? To like freak my dad out.
Even if it's a prank, it's gonna ruin the floors. Now where's she going? She's just running it with...
It's actually spilling. It's actually spilling. I need a towel, guys. Oh my gosh.
Guys, I was not meaning to actually get... Oh my gosh.
She's freaking out right now.
We need a towel. We need a towel.
Salish, you can't clean all that water with a rag, dude. You need like a whole industrial thing.
Oh my gosh, there is so much water.
What do I do? Do I call 911 or do I call a firefighter? My dad is gonna kill me.
Lauren is volunteering all day and night. Hudson is literally out of town. Salish is actually by herself making this mess, and the only way I go help her is by giving up, but then we clean the floor together, or I just let her do it and hope she doesn't ruin the floor and hope maybe somehow this is a prank.
You know what would freak my dad out even more? If we pour all of this water into the courtyard. Then he'll actually see the water pouring out, like he'll see it on the camera.
Ready? I just saw a ton of water pour out of the house. So where'd that water come from and how much more is in there? Oh God, this kid is gonna make me so old. Okay, I don't even want to hear the comments about that.
I need to leave the house right now.
Hopefully the water just doesn't do too much damage. I need to leave right now.
Did she just say she's leaving it? You don't deal with water later, you deal with water now, before it stains.
Sorry, help, but I gotta go.
What is she wearing? She got changed? Okay, she must have cleaned up because otherwise she wouldn't have just changed and left.
I don't think that my dad can hear me anymore from here. Colin should be outside of the house and I gotta go meet him for the next part of the plan. Oh, Colin.
Yeah.
You snuck out, right? Yeah. And the camera didn't see you.
No. I
Are
went.
you sure?
Yeah, no, I went back where there's no camera.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna track my dad's location and I'm gonna drive right next to it. Direct me where to go, okay?
Okay. 0.1 miles. You're turning left.
She hasn't come back. This is so frustrating to not be able to see the whole house because she blacked out almost everything.
All right, Colin, as soon as we pass my dad, you need to duck over and hide so that he thinks I'm driving alone, and I think that might make him quit.
Okay. No, I got you.
She's been gone for 15 minutes. All right, I gotta see. Is she still at the house?
I mean, guys, I feel like my dad low-key might be a little bit suspicious because why would he not come home if there's a flooding house? Wouldn't you come home if your daughter had a flooding house?
She's moving fast. She's like in an Uber or something. It looks like she's close to here.
All right, perfect. We got to Starbucks, so my dad should be here.
She is so close, man. It's like her Find My is right here almost.
That girl in that car looks really similar
Wait,
to Salish.
is that Salish? No way, hold on. That's Salish.
I don't believe
that is Salish, and she is driving by herself.
What?
Go see. Wait.
Hi, may I please have a tall oat mocha?
Okay, anything else?
No, thank you.
She's driving literally by herself. No, there's absolutely no way she would do that.
Jordan. That was totally Salish.
That was Salish?
Yeah.
We gotta go get her. We gotta follow her. We're gonna follow her right now. Let's go. Was she driving by herself? Was there somebody in the car?
I didn't see anybody else unless
There
they
was
were
nobody in the car?
I didn't see anybody, no. It just looked like her.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Guys, should I have a nice day?
You did.
Oh, it's nighttime.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
I always do that.
Don't let her see you, okay? All right, so she just got drive-through. Was that a coincidence that she just drove to the Starbucks that I'm at?
This next prank is going to freak my dad out even more. I'm driving to PetSmart to make my dad think that we're getting our third dog. I know he's gonna see it because he's literally right behind me.
You are not allowed to drive in the state of California with only your permit unless you have an adult in the car, which she does not. This is wild. She's gonna get pulled over and get a ticket. This is freaking crazy.
I'm gonna park illegally, but you have to stay in the car so it's not actually illegal, okay?
No, I got you.
Ari, that's her car right there. That's my car. Don't put the camera out too much, Ari. I don't want you to get caught. She went this way, Ari. Well, that's her. Dude, that's her. That's actually her. She's driving by herself. Do you see that? She's right there.
Duck down.
Okay.
We're here.
Okay. Yep.
All right, Colin, you actually have to make sure that it's not illegal.
I got you.
You're in here, okay?
What is she doing?
I'm fully illegally parked, but it's not actually illegal because Colin's in there, so we're good.
What is she doing? She just double parked illegally. Okay, look, what the heck, Ari? Look, you just left my car there, completely empty, parked illegally, driving as a 16-year-old without a license?
I don't really know where she is. This is gonna freak my dad out so much because he's gonna think we have a third dog.
1,000 reasons why she go to PetSmart. I don't know that Moo and Boomer need treats right now.
Thank you. I arranged with the neighbor to let me borrow their dog.
She's coming.
We're gonna go back into the car.
Wait, she's got a dog with her.
Hey, what?
Go, look, she's got a dog. What the heck? What is that?
All right, let's put her in.
Did you get the dog?
Yeah, I got her.
Oh, hi. Hello.
All right, guys, we got Charlie.
What the heck?
Colin, did you stay hidden the entire time?
Yeah, no, nobody saw
Are
me.
you sure?
Yeah.
Dude, what the heck? Did she just buy a dog at PetSmart? No way.
Colin, the van was parked while that happened. This definitely worked.
I know, I saw. No, I think we're good.
I think we're good, bro. He definitely believes that I just got another dog.
I gotta follow her. What the heck, man? What the heck was that? Where's the new dog coming from?
My dad loves Moo and Boomer, but I think he'd probably get really mad if we got a third dog. So that's why I felt this prank would work.
They are right in front of me. What in the world is she doing driving by herself?
I'm gonna bring Charlie into our house as if I'm like showing her our house. My dad is gonna see that on the camera and he's definitely gonna freak out.
Salish has always wanted a golden retriever. Is there any chance at all, Ari? Is she just saw a golden retriever was available for adoption from PetSmart and went and adopted it? I could see Salish being the person that decides to adopt a dog and then tell me later hoping I can't say no. Because what are we gonna do? Send it back? I'm not going back to Starbucks. I'm gonna park over here. We gotta get back there and see what she's doing.
All right, Colin, I'm really sorry to ask you to do this, but could you clean up the tarp and everything and put it all in the garage while I take Charlie into the house?
Don't ever forget I'm Team Salish, okay?
Okay, I got
you.
But you gotta sneak in again. You can't go through the front.
Where do I go?
You gotta sneak in how you came in. While you do that, I'm gonna take Charlie right into the living room to prank my dad.
Let's see what is up with this dog.
I got a new dog. It's time to introduce him to his new home.
Okay.
My dad is gonna be about to be able to hear me, so I'm gonna go into the living room and I'm really gonna tell them this is our dog. Okay, ready? Okay, guys, this is my new dog. Come here. I don't know what to name her. What do you want to be named? She's so cute. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I can name her Fluffy because she's so fluffy and she's so soft.
I'm almost certain this isn't a prank.
Let's go around.
Let's go see everything, Fluffy. You can have your water right here, and you can have your food right there.
Look, this is where we're gonna watch TV. Do you wanna see the pantry? Come here, baby.
Okay, guys, I have a little bit of time until I have to give Charlie back to our owner, so I have one more plan that will freak my dad out.
Okay, that was the pantry. The last thing
is we should go
and take a nap, but your feet are a little bit wet,
so how about we go to my dad's bed, because I don't want to get mud all over my bed.
No.
Come on, let's go to my dad's bed.
Okay, if she's just gonna go let this dog sleep in my bed with muddy feet.
All right, we gotta go to the side of my house. My dad needs to think that Charlie is staying with us for the rest of the night in his bed.
I can't call Salish and tell her not to do that because then I'm admitting I'm watching her, but she knows really well I don't like that.
I told Charlie's owners to meet me on the side of the house where my dad's cameras can't see us. Hi guys. She did amazing. Thank you guys so much.
I'm gonna miss Charlie.
I know, me too. She was really cute. Okay, Colin, for the next prank, I need you to get the speaker and the soundboard, okay?
For
and
what?
your computer. I'll explain later, but I gotta go get the soccer ball and the goal, okay?
What?
All right, let's go. Come on.
All right.
What is she doing?
Okay, the whole goal of this is to make my dad think that I broke something, so I'm gonna kick the ball, and really I'm just gonna kick it into the goal, but my dad's gonna think I broke something because I'm gonna play like a sound effect that has like a shattering glass. Colin, your job is to hit the soundboard. Okay, I turned it to the max. Do not touch anything, Colin.
Okay.
He needs to believe that I actually shattered the window because I'm sure that he would come to the door for that. Okay, guys, my dad is always like, oh my gosh, Salish, don't kick the ball, and he's always
So nervous that I'm gonna break something, but
I'm not that good at soccer, so it's not
not gonna go that high.
There's stuff I really, really like in that house and I don't want it to be broken.
Here we go. I'm gonna try and kick it as hard as I can.
3,
Okay.
2, 1. Oh my gosh, the window.
No, that is so bad.
Do you think you bought it?
Good job. That was so good.
That was good.
Oh my gosh, guys.
I accidentally just hit the window. My dad was so right. I should not have been playing soccer.
Okay, hold on.
I don't know what to do.
Let's go.
All right, Colin, she's definitely gonna come to the gate. Come on,
Okay,
come on.
let's go.
Let's go watch through the window.
Come on. I don't care. I don't
What?
care. Let's go. I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
Jordan!
Colin, where is he? You're not coming.
No, just give time.
Really
Jordan,
broke a window.
what are you doing? Think about what you're doing.
10 more seconds.
All right, I open this door. It's over.
I don't think you should do it, Jordan.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it.
Dang it. You have any better ones?
I mean, yeah.
All right, well then let's do
All
that.
right, let's go, I guess. Come on.
Broken window, we'll deal with it tomorrow. She's paying for that.
Okay, guys, I have one final thing to try and make my dad crack. Oh, they're here.
What? Who? What is it?
Who are these guys?
Hi, guys.
Wait, those look like
Thank you so much.
ball pit balls.
Everything looks perfect.
They have a ton of ball pit balls. Oh no.
How many ball pit balls is this?
There's a lot.
No. She's doing what Nadal suggested.
What if you close this off and you put like foam pits right here? You can jump off that. This is like a perfect space. My friend did it before.
Yeah, but you're also a crazy person. This is so bad. Okay, wait.
I'm gonna go grab one of the boxes of the ball pit balls right here, and I'm gonna pour it all the way down from the second to the first, so my dad knows that I'm actually doing it. But it requires me to take off the tape of one of the cameras upstairs. Okay, I see the camera. Okay. I hope my dad thinks that it just fell. I think it was coming. I think it was good.
He just reveals the hallway just when I need to be able to see it. Do you have your drone, dude, in your car? Do you have your drone?
Jordan, you're
I fly the
crazy.
drone.
You're crazy.
No, I fly the drone.
Okay, only like 100 more bins to go until we turn this whole house into a ball pit.
This is Ari's drone, which I'm about to use to spy on Salish and see exactly how dangerous is this ball pit that she's setting up.
I'm gonna act like I'm gonna jump over, okay?
Okay, say. You gotta like really sell this. This is the last one. You
Yeah,
gotta,
obviously.
Right, you got this.
Guys, I'm a little nervous, but I think it's gonna be fine.
There's a lot of ball pit balls, so like,
What could go wrong? You know?
Okay, there it is, right there. All all the balls are just stacked up. They're not in a pit at all, but is there a pit set up in the room where she would jump?
I guess I'm gonna jump soon.
Oh my God, Colin has been there this whole time.
Colin, is he coming?
No, he's not here yet.
Okay, I'm gonna jump now.
She's just acting like she's gonna jump now, but there's no balls there.
Is he coming?
No, he's still not here. This is a total prank. She hasn't set up a ball pit at all. She's just pretending. Oh, wow.
Dad, I'm gonna jump now.
She intentionally turned on the security cameras so I could only see what she wanted me to see, and she's been pranking me this entire time. Just keep going. And she thinks that I'm gonna come running home to stop her from jumping into the ball pit.
Okay, I'm gonna jump in 10, 9.
If I hadn't done the drone thing, I would have fallen for this.
8.
Look at her, look at her.
7, 6, 5, 4.
She's acting like she's gonna jump any second. Oh no, she thinks I'm on my way back, storming into the house to stop her, just in time for her to go, ha ha, and Colin to film my reaction. I'm gonna FaceTime her right now. Hey, Say.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just like about to jump off the second floor into the first floor into a ball pit.
Can I see your POV? I just wanna see what the ball pit looks like.
I mean, I know you're watching me right now, so you can, you know.
I'm gonna be honest. Look, here's Ari.
Hey, Salish.
Here's my setup, okay? You're right, you caught me. I've been watching this whole time.
I know.
And guess what?
What?
I think you should jump. I just called because I wanted to wish you good luck and I wanted to watch you jump. So why don't you go and jump?
You really want to see me jump?
Salish, if you jump, I will quit and come home and give you this present right now.
I don't know.
Hey, Say.
Yeah.
You forgot that I have a drone.
What do you mean?
Well, I used the drone to see exactly how deep the ball pit was to make sure you were safe, and I see you haven't really put them out yet. And guess what else I saw?
What?
Colin.
What?
Colin!
What? Has he been there the whole time?
Yes.
Should I just come home and you can admit you lost again?
Fine.
It's 2 in a row. Yes! I got her! Whoa! We did it! I don't have to sleep in the van.
How was I supposed to know he was gonna fly a drone?
Team Jordan for the win! See you in a second, little girl. First of all, there was never any water in the house?
No.
Okay, and what happened about the pizza? 50 people. What are you gonna do with it?
We bagged it up when you were like coming home from the van, and we're gonna give it to people.
Oh. Well, while I'm eating the pizza, you want to open my present?
Yeah.
See what you could have won that you lost? Because I'm just better. Team Jordan, I'm totally on a roll.
Yeah, for sure. You're on a roll of 3 when I've won. How many? Oh my gosh, wait. What? I've seen so many things about this, and I showed this to you like 6 months ago. I've been saving up for it.
The thing Salish wanted the most, boom, I won. All right.
Okay, here you go.
All right, see you, we're out. Bye.
All right, let's go.
Woo, I won. I'm just kidding. Of course we know I'm gonna give the camera to the girl who wants it more.
Wait, really?
If you promise to give me 8 points towards the year-end total of the Matter Cup.
Okay.
8 points.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes us tied.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, I mean, I know I'm obviously gonna win the next one.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
All right, I love you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Mom!
So we are tied for the Matter Cup with 1 video left to go. Today, my daughter Salish attempts to survive 24 hours alone for the first time ever.
Again!
And it drives me crazy. No! Salish thinks that because she's a teenager, she should be allowed to stay overnight all by herself in this house.
Yeah, and I don't think you can stay away a full 24 hours.
So we're gonna have a bet. The first person to give up loses, and the winner gets the Matter Cup.
It's cringy, but I want to win so that I don't have to clean any part of the house for an entire week.
Mom and Hudson are out of town. That means when I go out that door, you're all alone.
Uh-huh.
Are you good?
Oh, super scary. Just give this to me.
You're gonna be quitting, and that's gonna be mine soon.
I'm not gonna be quitting.
Are you sure you're gonna be okay?
Fine. All right, what do I do first?
I have a great plan. I'm only gonna be a few minutes away, and I am not coming home because I want to win the Matter Cup.
Sandy, first you have to come out. Rowan, Sandy, down, out, everyone out. Down, all alone.
Also, it's a really good idea for her to have some independence. She's 14 now. She should be able to stay overnight on her own. I know she can handle it. It's no big deal. I just keep telling myself that, and I'm gonna believe it. Actually, what could possibly go wrong, right?
I am only a couple of blocks away from my house. I've got security cameras hidden all over the house to keep an eye on her, but she has absolutely no idea.
My dad is so ridiculous. He hid cameras like literally everywhere in the house and expected me not to notice them. Like
What?
This is Evan, he's the founder of Famous Birthdays. This is his place. He's letting me stay here for 24 hours to watch Salish.
My dad can't see me on this camera, but whenever I'm whispering, it's because I'm talking to you guys. But when I'm talking really loud, it's because I want him to hear me on the other cameras. He has no idea I can see all of his cameras. Look, I mean, that's ridiculous. That's so easy to find. Look at that. It's literally blinking red. How am I not supposed to see that? I just found one more camera. It's right there, behind this red thing. It's a really bad place to hide it. Oh, I see the Top Matter trophy. This is gonna be all mine. I can't wait.
I am currently top matter. I won the last challenge. I like not having to clean, and I am not giving it up.
I'm about to set up something huge for later tonight. Watch. Hey, I'm all alone all day today. Can you come over tonight? Okay, perf.
Did she just invite somebody over to the house? Who? No, you're thinking what I'm thinking. No, there's no way.
Okay, guys. So, do you see this? We're in my dad's office right now. It is his diamond play button. But shouldn't it be mine? I mean, I'm on his channel more than he is.
No, it's my diamond play button. I started the channel saying, it's my channel. Comment below. Is it my channel or is it Salish's channel?
Look at all the smudges on it. It's really gross. Since it's mine, I'm gonna clean it. Wow, this is so heavy. I hope I don't drop it.
What is she doing? Why is she carrying my play button to the bathroom?
Okay guys, I'm gonna switch this with something called breakaway glass. I found it in the garage. And my dad is gonna think I'm dropping the play button.
I can't tell. Is she like cleaning it?
This is the fake glass. It's really light and it's made out of sugar. Does it taste like sugar? Nope. Let's go prank my dad. This is really heavy. I don't know if I can get it.
Oh!
Yeah! Oh my! Oh no!
She broke my diamond play button.
Oh, wow.
Dude!
Oh no, my dad is gonna be so mad.
Oh man, what?
I broke his diamond play button. I mean, it is technically my diamond play button. Whoopsies.
I might just go back, actually. She could break anything in the house. Maybe I should just go back. She's like out of control. She cannot be alone. If I go home, I lose. If I call her, I lose. If I stay here, I win, but then she's gonna wreck the house. Like, what is that? Like, what are my two choices?
Since I did make a mess, I'm gonna clean it, but I don't feel like grabbing the dustpan, so I'm just gonna put it under my dad's desk. But first, some ASMR.
She's stopping the glass. What is she doing?
It's really sticky.
She would feel so bad if she did this. I know her. She's a good kid. This would make her feel so bad. I thought she was gonna get scared and call me. I didn't think she was gonna have the time of her life and wreck the house. If you think this is bad, wait until you see what she does after dark. Now she's just disappeared into her room. I don't know what she's doing. All right, I need to eat something.
I know my dad has cameras everywhere in the house, but not my room, obviously, so this is where I can talk to you guys. Since he's watching me, I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff I wouldn't normally do and see if it drives him crazy. Once he can't take it anymore, he'll come home and I will win the Matter Cup. Sorry if I sound weird today, but my allergies are really bad right now. My dad hates it when I put my feet on the couch.
Is this how she is when we're not home? She just puts her feet on the couch?
So what do you guys think I should do today? Give me ideas, comment below. I'm starving, I'm going to 7-Eleven to get my food for the day.
No. She's a healthy kid. She's not going to 7-Eleven to get food for the hot, is she?
Oh, I really want coffee.
Coffee? She's getting a coffee at 7-Eleven?
I don't really like 7-Eleven, but I think it'll drive him crazy, so I'm gonna eat it all day.
7-Eleven's around the corner. I'm sure she'll be back in 5 minutes.
OMG, I thought for a second that my dad was also here. Okay, I have 5 minutes till he comes back home.
All right, it's been 20 minutes. She's not back. I'm not panicking, okay, a little bit. The point of a security camera is so I could keep an eye on her the whole time. Her leaving, I can't keep an eye on her.
Okay guys, there's so many flavors of ice cream, but I think I'm gonna get this huge tub of it. Perfect. Wait till you see what I do with that. It's gonna be so funny. I have a lot of things that are gonna drive my dad crazy, but first I'm gonna eat junk food for 24 hours. He's gonna be so mad at me.
It's gonna be a long day.
Jordan, you need to take a chill. Let's go for a quick walk.
I can't.
Just 5 minutes.
5 minutes. What can happen in 5 minutes? Okay, that's fine. What if we get stuck in the elevator? I'm just kidding. Okay.
She's gonna be okay.
I just turned my stairs into a slide. My dad is not gonna be happy about this.
So when I asked Evan if I could come over, he said, yeah, I've got stuff for lunch. That's lunch. Woohoo. All right, so what's she? Is she sledding down the stairs? Whoa! Whoa, whoa! That's actually kind of dangerous, eh?
This is so fun.
That actually looks like a lot of fun. I would love to be there doing that with her, but alone, without asking.
Do you do this in your house? Because, yeah, I'm not allowed to do it, but today I am.
In case you're wondering why I care so much and I'm not just going back home, it's because the loser has to clean up everything for the next 2 weeks in the house. And I hate cleaning. Security cameras everywhere. I mean, I am protected. I could be there in 2 minutes if I needed to be.
Wow! That's so fun! If you think that was crazy, I've got an even better idea now. Okay, let's do this. I'm scared. Ah! Woo! Now we've got a stair tunnel.
Made it into a tunnel now? Oh, Joe! Oh! Is she okay?
Again!
Oh, she's okay. This is wearing me out, man. I want to hide under the table.
Are you gonna put a stop to this?
Well, I can't. If I go, I gotta lose.
Fun. Now it's time to try all the 7-Eleven things.
Is she actually just getting junk food all day?
First, it's like pirate booty, but with extra cheddar. Let's try it. An 8.5. I got these. Oh no, I hate peanut butter. But I gotta get my protein in. When you're shopping at 7-Eleven, you do not have there. Look, I'm just sitting all by myself here.
I've told her like 1,000 times he's not the favorite child.
Here, I'm just hovering over them. Then here, I'm also hovering. Oops, I gotta put that together. Actually, I'll leave it.
Wait, did she just break the frame and then she's not cleaning it up? No.
I'm gonna turn this entire place into an ice cream stand.
I think I heard ice cream or something.
Neighbors, ice cream. I'm gonna be needing these shirts.
Why is she carrying on? Did she just dump my t-shirts over the balcony? Why would she do that?
I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna prank my dad.
What's she doing in the closet?
I have a bunch of his t-shirts, like all of his t-shirts, because all he wears is black t-shirts. I just taped Team Salish on each one of them, so people will get ice cream and a free shirt. This says Team Salish. Perfect. And look, guys, I took my brother's ice cream cone because he was gonna use it as a prop for a YouTube video and he never used it. So it's mine now. Sorry, Hudson.
What is she doing?
We're gonna need some cones, now some toppings. Do you guys like caramel or chocolate in your ice cream? I don't like either. Next is some peanuts, and I've actually never tried peanuts in my ice cream.
She's setting up an ice cream stand?
Now we have a different kind of cone in case people want to switch it up. And I got 3 types of ice cream. Chocolate, then caramel, and simple vanilla. Then we're gonna need some decoration to make it pop. And I'm gonna get started on my signs. I'm gonna pretend I'm charging people because my dad would hate if I charged people. Okay, $10 for an ice cream sundae.
There is no way she invited our neighbors over and she is making them pay for ice cream right now.
The neighbors are all obviously gonna give his t-shirts back, but he doesn't know that. I think I have a future in art school. Look at that. We have all 3 flavors of ice cream with our little scooper. And then we have our cones, our bowl cones, and then caramel, chocolate, rainbow, sprinkles, and cherries. Team Salish shirts. I'm Team Salish, so I'm wearing one. We have this thing that says Tastes Ice Cream Cream, then our menu. So perfect. Hi everybody, line up for ice cream. Okay, everything is $10, pick what you want.
10 of our neighbors that came over and she's charging them for ice cream?
Can I get vanilla bean, please? Yeah, of course. You guys also have to get a special shirt, okay? This is your very own Team Salish shirt. Here you go. Thank you. It might smell really bad because my dad wears them, but thanks. No problem.
Those are my t-shirts. Does that say Team Salish? Oh! Why are you giving away my t-shirts?
Thank you. No problem.
No, she's not doing that. I'm gonna look back and she's not doing what I think she's doing. Yep, she's doing it.
This is yours to keep. Thank you. You have it forever. Okay, what can I get you? Vanilla bean. Thank you. I'm gonna give this $10 back to them.
Can I get a caramel brownie in a cup with chocolate drizzle?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Can I get a spoon too?
Yeah. Perfect. Here you go.
Thanks.
Wow, I'm making so much money on my neighbors.
This is not okay. I'm calling a neighbor. Hey, it's Jordan from next door. How you doing? Did you get ice cream from my daughter, like an invite to get ice cream?
My daughter and I, we just headed over there and we got
Oh, cool.
Best ice cream I've ever had.
She didn't charge you, did she?
Yeah, she did actually. It was
Okay, did she give you like a t-shirt?
Yeah, we got a couple t-shirts. We're definitely Team Salish.
I'll get you the $10 back. I might want to get my t-shirt back though.
Seriously, don't worry about it. We'll keep the t-shirts.
I want to give her a lecture about this, but how did I know? Because they're hidden cameras and she doesn't know they're there. You know how badly I want to call her right now? We made a deal. If we call each other, we automatically lose. So I can't call her. We're gonna have a talk about this.
People can wait a minute. My dad hates when I make people wait. So I'll make them wait.
Maybe this is the person that she invited.
Hey! Hi! How's it going? Good.
Nastya? What? I thought she lived in Florida.
I bought 20,000 balls. Oh, perfect!
Are those crates in the yard? I'm so confused. Why is she carrying balls?
Perfect!
What? Okay, there's just balls all over the ground now?
This is Nastya, and Nastya, do you know why you're in this secret room? No. Because my dad has so many hidden security cameras all around the house, and this is the only place there aren't any. So this is like our base, okay? Okay.
What are they doing?
So you brought 20,000 balls, right? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, wait until you see what we transform into a ball pit. First, let's go watch a movie, but wait till you see what we're gonna watch. It's gonna drive him crazy. Okay, let's go. Okay, there are no cameras in here either. I hate messes, but we're gonna have to make one to drive my dad really crazy. Yeah, go get the popcorn, okay? Come on.
All right, okay, this is actually sweet. Nastya is a good kid. She has her over. I guess they're making something.
Nastya, there's a camera right there. Do you see? Yeah. I hate doing this. Nastya, this is gonna drive my dad crazy.
Looks like popcorn? Maybe? No, you put it in a pot with a top on it.
That's a lot. Don't you think the popcorn needs a top? Nah.
It's gonna pop everywhere. You know that. You've made popcorn 1,000 times.
While we're waiting for the popcorn, let's go make our movie theater.
They're just leaving it. They're using a skillet. There's no open flame, so it's not that dangerous. It's just that it's gonna pop everywhere.
We're hiding in the pantry to make sure the popcorn doesn't like burn down the house. Yeah. But my dad does not know that. Oh, it's going crazy. Yeah. It's going everywhere. Yeah. But it's making a mess. I hate messes. So obviously we're gonna clean up once he gives up and comes home. I'm definitely gonna be top matter tonight. Yeah.
It's gonna be a long night. I don't really get to eat burgers a lot with Salish, so the one advantage to not being with her right now is I get to eat meat. Yum. She's yum.
We are gonna make the most awesome outdoor movie theater. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. We need snacks and we need like pillows and stuff to make a fort. This is gonna be so cool. We need this one. We have a ton more in the closet too. Throw these out. It's gonna drive him crazy. I'm pretty sure he's gonna quit after this. This is so awesome. We get to watch all these movies and annoy my dad. Wait, I forgot my DoorDash. Ta-da! Got as much pizza as you can imagine. What flavor do you want?
Did they just order like 10 pizzas on DoorDash? She's eating junk food and 5 pizza pies?
Cheers. Cheers.
As long as they're not watching like a scary movie, we're good.
I feel like that. My God, I wasn't prepared for that.
They're watching scary movies. Okay, you know what? I'm out of here. Nope, I'm not. I can't lose. She loves horror movies, but she also doesn't like to be alone after a horror movie. So I think she's gonna call me once this movie's over.
Oh my gosh, this is really scary. This is really scary, but do you want to see something even scarier? Yeah.
Are you gonna watch something scarier than that?
Oh, wow. Not too bad. There's so many balls. This is awesome, and we still have so many more to dump. Hey.
How many? Where they got thousands? And this is, just stop pouring balls in my office.
This is so cool. There's so many balls. 1, 2.
Don't jump.
Whoa! I don't know how we're gonna get all of these balls out of the room. Okay, I think something's lost in here. Oh, my trophy! This is gonna be mine soon.
Oh God, they're throwing them everywhere.
This is 20,000 balls. I don't know how we're gonna get them out. Maybe we could just leave them in. Yeah.
Okay, fine. I quit. I'm going. Nope, I can't do it.
When you're done in here, do you want to go make s'mores in the backyard? Yeah. Great. Let's make a fire in the backyard. backyard to cook this morning.
She just said make a fire in the backyard.
Okay, I'm gonna go get stuff for the fire.
Okay, I'll be in 1 minute.
I don't know what to do. I think she's gonna make an actual fire for real. No. Okay, I gotta go.
I have a feeling that this is gonna be mine any minute now.
No. Salish, do not burn the house down. I'm almost home. Let's just take it easy. Let's just breathe. Let's just chill.
What did you do? What did you do?
What?
My whole office. Wait, is there a bonfire? What?
Oh wait, Dad, you fell for it?
Fell for what?
I knew you would do it. Now I'm top matter finally.
Wait, did you know I was watching you?
Obviously, there are like 100 cameras around the house.
Wait, you saw those cameras? Whoa,
Yes.
Whoa, oh, you just pranked me this whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Well, say goodbye to this and good luck cleaning up.
What do you mean cleaning up?
Well, you know the rules. Being top matter, you don't have to clean for a week.
What?
No, so you do not make that fire.
How did she know I was... Oh, that's so obvious.
She knew the whole time? Rowan!
I'm not cleaning this.
I quit.
Hey,
I heard you lost top matter.
Whoa!
This is awesome.
why don't you play here and then help me clean up, okay?
I have a super important business call.
You're not gonna help me?
No. Is that supposed to be a hidden camera?
I know. It wasn't very well hidden. I know. Oh, you... Okay, I quit. Today, my daughter Salish and I secretly live inside the Stokes twins' $10 million mansion. We'll have to find our own secret rooms to hide in and survive extreme dares that will make it harder and harder to stay hidden. Go.
Something's going on.
Should we just take it for a spin?
Loki? You ready?
First person to complete all of their dares wins.
No.
Come on, like you're just saying it for this one time. You're holding it.
No.
The Matter Cup. Woohoo! First challenge is to get inside this house somehow. Are you ready?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go.
Or no, I don't want. Okay, I'm doing.
All right, come on, let's go.
All right, good luck, Say.
I think I have a plan. Let's go over here.
That would have been too easy if that was just open. Kat gave us permission to be here, and the Stokes twins have no idea that we're going to be living in their house. This. My poor little Matter Cup.
It seems like Salish already has a plan, and I have no idea what it is, but I know that in this massive mansion, there's at least one door or window open, so I'm gonna check every single one of them as quickly as possible because...
Kat told us to be here at noon because the Stokes twins left and they'll be back in 30 minutes, so I gotta get in this house before then or I'm already busted.
Earlier today, I texted Kat and I asked her to let me into the house.
Salish and I each have 3 challenges we have to complete. Get in the house.
Once we get inside, I have to find a secret room and then we have to decorate it.
And then each of us is given the other one 5 dares, and whoever completes those first without getting caught by the Stokes twins wins the Matter Cup. That's gonna be me. Boom.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, Salish. Hi, come on.
Oh my gosh, thank you. All the secret rooms here are for boys, but I'm gonna make one for girls.
But the boys are gonna be here in 30 minutes, so you don't have a lot of time to find your room.
Okay.
I'll be up in my room.
Okay, thank you so much.
Good
Bye.
luck.
So far, we have done 18 Matter Cup competitions. Salish has won 11, I've won 7. Whoever has won more by the end of the year gets the most epic prize you've ever seen. So I desperately need to win today to get it 11-8, one step closer to winning that prize.
First, I need to actually find a secret room. Wait, I think I've seen this before.
Wait, how did you know this is a secret room?
You don't watch the Stokes twins videos?
No, I do. I didn't see this one. This is sick.
Oh, this is what? It's slides.
Somebody doesn't know the passcode.
Yes!
What? What was it?
It was 00000.
Stokes, you might need a better password.
It says no zapatos.
What does that mean?
No shoes. I walked by a construction worker the other day and he said hola and I was like, hi, and he's like, ¿Cómo estás? I was like, estoy bien y tú, and he laughed at me. Okay, adios.
Oh my God, it's so sunny. If I'm gonna be stuck out here much longer, I'm gonna use the Sincerely Yours Sunny Side Up sunscreen. This stuff is awesome.
This is nice. I feel like this is like low-key good, but what if they come in and watch a movie? Then I'm high-key cooked. I could hide right here. Can you see me?
This isn't gonna work.
There's no hiding spot here, so I don't know if this place works.
Okay, well, let's go find another one.
Let's go. Where would more secret rooms be, Colin? My dad.
Wait, what?
What?
What is he doing? What are you doing?
No way! What? How did you get in?
I don't know.
Let me in.
No.
Colin, you want to keep your job? Tell me how she got in.
I don't know how she got in.
How did she get in?
I just followed her. I was looking at the camera. I don't know.
Well, Salish, you're wasting your time because you haven't found a secret room yet.
Colin.
What?
I didn't lock that door. Colin.
Come on, come on. Hurry, let's go.
I didn't lock it, Colin.
How did you lock it?
Hi, Dad.
Oh.
Close it, lock it.
Will you just let me in this? Oh, God. Can I at least have your sunglasses? Why are you wearing them inside?
That's what I said.
Is she chewing gum? Oh my God, this kid is driving me crazy.
Bye, Jordan.
Oh, the doors are locked, right?
Yeah.
How am I supposed to get in this house, man?
I can't believe that I'm struggling this much just to get inside the house. But believe it or not, this is the easy part because Salish and I prepared some brutal dares for each other.
Let's go. Alan, run.
And I don't know if things are going to end that well, at least for me.
Okay.
All right, you know what?
Can you take off your sunglasses, dude?
Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, anyways, that YouTube side looks a little saucy. It's too small. Maybe the kitchen will have something. Colin, do you see anything?
But look. Like there's a door. There's something behind it.
Oh.
Yo, let's go.
It's a pantry.
Oh, well, this could work though. We have like unlimited food.
What if they're hungry and they want food?
Oh, that's true. Plan D.
Dude, I've got a crazy idea.
What are you doing, Jordan?
Okay, listen, I would pay the money to get a new window just to win the Matter Cup, dude.
All right, the Stokes twins are probably gonna be here in like 10 minutes. We haven't checked this room, have we?
No, not yet.
Okay, then let's check this room.
Do you think that's a bad idea? I can break it right now, man.
Don't do it.
Oh, shoot. You're right.
Colin, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look. It's hollow. What if this was like an old secret room and they like built a wall over it? Well, Kat went upstairs, but I could text her and like see if it is. Okay, wait, let me take a picture of it. Oh, wait, she said yes and yeah, you can break it down and use a hammer in the garage. Let's go, come on.
The Stokes twins always go all in building their secret rooms. That's why it doesn't surprise me that Kat let Salish destroy a wall in their mansion.
This house is so big.
Okay, come on, we gotta get the sledgehammer. It's in this garage, I think. Is this the sledgehammer? Oh, this is heavy, Colin.
That's a sledgehammer.
All right, let's go.
Go.
Close the garage. Come on, Colin, we gotta go.
Oh, wait. Ari.
I bought so many decorations for the secret room, and we need to go get them.
Are you kidding me?
But I think they're about to be. They're here.
What?
Go. Hide into here.
This is our secret room, though.
Go, come on, Colin.
Safe.
Come on.
Colin, they're here. Come on.
Is it shut?
I think so.
Shh. That was bad.
I think they're here.
Stokes twins are gonna be here any minute. I gotta go for the secret room in the kitchen. I've been here a bunch of times. I know where the pantry secret room is, so let's go.
What if the Stokes twins come in right now?
Yeah, I know. We're gonna hide in here.
Who's that? The Stokes twins.
Okay. There it is. Okay, secret room number 1. Whoa! Jeez. Oh, you got this room?
We thought you were the Stokes twins. You can have this room.
Okay. All right. Well, I will then. Where are you gonna do it?
You want it?
Sure.
I haven't found my room yet.
Okay. Well, then I'm winning because all I have to do is. Where did she go?
Kat gave me permission to break this wall, but I'm really hoping that there's an actually good secret room so that I can win. Ready, Colin?
Yeah, I guess.
I'm gonna. No! Salish, stop!
What?
What are you doing, dude? We can't bash their house. Colin, how could you let her do this?
Kat said it was okay.
She did?
Yeah.
Kat said this was okay?
Yeah. Here, want to take a swing? Take a swing.
Wait, are we allowed to do this?
Yeah.
This feels good. I never get to do this kind of thing. This is what you're trying to do, say, right? This is okay. So I'll help you, and then we'll share this room, okay?
No.
Actually, no.
No.
Okay. Well, then forget it.
Wait.
See ya.
Wait.
Let's go. Okay, she's building a secret room. Now we gotta find something good.
All right, it's okay. We still got this.
That looks kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie.
Do you want to try, Colin?
Kind of.
Come here, I'll film you.
All right, we have to find a secret room. I know it's actually their pantry. If they go to get something, I'm busted. I'd have to hide there.
The first phase of our plan is done. We both found our secret rooms. But because I saw the Stokes twins arriving, I'm gonna wait here before I start decorating it. But Salish has no idea that the Stokes twins just got here.
Come on, Colin, hurry up. Let's go, Colin.
So this competition could be over earlier than I expected.
We gotta go get the surprise.
Dude, it's hot.
Yeah. Oh God, this is the worst hiding spot. They're right there. They're gonna use the kitchen. They're right there. Oh. Oh my God.
All right, time to eat some snacks. We just worked out.
They went to the kitchen. Let's go. Come on. Shh. Be quiet.
I'm actually so happy we have our own product now. Something delicious, something tasty.
They're right there. Oh my God.
We're missing some stuff here. Why are no dogs barking? Do you need anything out back in the area here? Just go upstairs, dude. It's fine. You sure? Yeah.
Oh my God. That was so close, dude. Did you hear they were eating their food right here?
Step 1, we got into the house. That's good. Step 2, we got the secret room. That's good. Step 3, we gotta decorate. And then after decorating, we have to do the dares.
So what do you want to talk about today? 'Cause there's that giant list of everything that I need to go through. You're the one that needs to make the schedule, not me, because you wake up like way after me.
They noticed it was in the wrong place where they study it. I put them back. Okay, I gotta pick this as my secret room because at this point they're already back, so I have to.
Definitely gonna be better than my dad's. My dad's is in the pantry. Like, they're gonna easily find it.
Let's go, come on. Okay, come on. I didn't know what my secret room would be. How are we gonna fit this in the pantry? It's so hot. Luckily, I'm wearing that Sincerely Yours sunscreen, huh?
You're gonna need to help me with this part.
Say, go check and see if anybody's there. Say, shh. We got it, okay.
Shh. You got this.
What? Here. Okay, it doesn't go more. Here, let me push.
Colin!
All right. Can you check? No. Wait, why are we acting like this is a horror movie? What? I don't know. I heard something. Is that Tanner came over and broke into our fridge?
Shh. Literally, they could be here any second. Say.
Okay, close the door, close it.
Woo.
We made it.
Okay.
Woo!
I think this might be a little overkill.
I don't think it's overkill.
Is that plant even gonna fit through the hole?
I had to make a cat a really nice room so she would help me.
Say. Shh. You're loud. I got stuff. I thought I would have an actual secret room. This is basically a pantry, but I gotta decorate it. That's challenge number 3, and then I start on the dares. What is that?
Sincerely Yours sunscreen. Sincerely Yours spray. Sorry, cat, I'm gonna borrow some really quick.
Thank you.
A light. Moisturizer. Cleanser. I can't throw this.
Yeah.
And come here, cut this.
Oh.
What are you doing here?
This is my secret room.
You can't hide here.
Why?
The boys come in here like at least 20 times a day.
Are you kidding me? How did Salish get in?
I let her in.
What? Why?
Well, she said she was building me a beauty room. And I'm Team Salish.
Oh, who isn't Team Salish?
Oh, almost forgot my taffy.
Okay, can you leave? Can you please leave? Shh.
Say, I think we really need a rug.
Grab this, Colin. Grab this.
This is okay. Say.
Colin.
Salish left me my 5 dares in these envelopes, sealed, so that I can't open them until I've already completed one. I have to come back into the secret room every time I open a new dare, so I have to keep coming back here, even though it's the stupidest secret room I could possibly figure. This is the wrong bag. I forgot my other bag at the house.
Oh my God.
No, that has all the stuff for the room.
How are we gonna decorate it?
No, dude.
I don't want to show Colin, but I want to show you guys. So here's 1 second of one of the dares my dad is gonna have to do.
Wait, what?
No, you gotta eat this.
Yeah, wasn't that hard?
What was it?
All right, I'm gonna put all these Sincerely Yours right here. Sincerely Yours was sold out at Sephora.com, but great news, it's back in stock. So use this QR code to shop now or go to your local Sephora.
Does this count as a decorated secret room?
I mean, you just kind of put a rug and a beanbag in a pantry, so no.
To finish decorating this room, I'm gonna have to go out and steal stuff from the Stokes and put it in here.
That's risky.
I know, so just stay here. Shh.
Yeah, there's no way he's gonna be able to win this challenge. I don't think he's gonna be able to decorate this room.
Okay, when Cat's Sincerely Yours hoodie, I'll put this right here.
That's cute.
I know, thank you.
After searching the whole house, I found some decorations that will definitely help me complete this challenge. I need more stuff.
I really want to win the Matter Cup today because whoever wins more Matter Cups by the end of the year gets a really...
Oh my gosh.
Hey, this is the secret room?
Yeah.
It looks so good. Look, I found your carpet out there.
I completely shattered their plan. Look.
It's a fake plant. I guess I'm buying them a new plant. I can only imagine how much it costs to bash that wall in. Salish is paying for that one. Oh, that's actually really nice. It's like a jungle theme.
Do you know where Cat is? I don't know. Something's going on.
You know, also this house is really big, so is there anything to like watch the security cameras with?
Actually, we have an iPad that connects to all the cameras.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get it.
Wait, really? Thank you so much.
Okay, so I completed my 3 challenges. I got inside, I found a secret room, and I decorated the secret room. Now it's time to open my first dare from Salish.
Okay, I got access to all the cameras.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, this is the iPad connected to the security cameras, so anytime I need to do a dare, I can look at it and make sure the twins aren't there.
Each of us has to try to complete our 5 dares without getting caught by either Stokes, and whoever completes them all first without getting caught wins the Matter Cup. Come on, I want that prize theme of the year so badly. Comment below what you think it is. I have to do a cannonball into the pool.
What? And not get caught? You're gonna be soaking wet the rest of the day.
Oh my God, Salish, that's a good one. I wish I had thought of that one. I gave her some good dares though. Wait till you see what I did. I'm gonna be busted after 1.
I know for how long.
There's a popcorn setting.
What are you doing?
I'm popping the popcorn. Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing the cannonball. The window's right there. I was gonna get busted.
Yeah.
Yeah. We gotta go the long way. Ow, 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 ow. Watch out.
Colin, what if I tried in my dad's secret room?
Okay.
Ew. No.
Oh. Come on. Go that way first. Shoot, they're right there. Go. Shoot.
It for sure burnt.
You have to eat it. What?
How many pieces?
Just a couple pieces. Oh, it smells so burnt.
Is that enough?
Yeah, sure. You gotta hide the popcorn.
I need air freshener.
It smells so bad.
Shh. Did you leave the stove on? Dude, we don't cook.
Just keep going.
Go check that out. What's that smell? Dude, it smells like the house is catching on fire. Can we just not get distracted? Oh yeah, and then let the house burn down? Okay.
Shh. Okay, dude, I gotta give you my mic, right? Yeah. Everything that I don't want to get wet. Let's go. God, I don't want to do this actually.
I want to watch this. Hey, Dad. It's burnt.
Oh, God. You're just chilling?
I want to watch you.
Salish, I hate you for this.
Wait, Dad.
No.
Oh. Are you? I'm hearing stuff. Am I hearing stuff or am I going crazy?
They have an alarm on that pool?
You can stay here and just do nothing like you do all day.
Let's go.
Alex is literally walking out there right now.
He's checking the pool, my God. Dude, did you close the sauna?
Oh, your clothes are in
My clothes are in there.
Wait, why is he going in the sauna?
You left your belt in the sauna. That's not my belt. I don't wear belts. Yes, it is your belt. That belt's too small to be mine. That's your belt.
Look, I'm too wet. If I don't somehow get dry, I'm gonna be trekking wet footprints all over the house and they'll know somebody's there. Is this a hamper? Oh. Okay. All right, let's turn around. Okay.
While the twins are trying to figure out who the belt belongs to, Salish revealed her next dare.
It says do a Coke and Mentos experiment.
What?
I have to keep it inside and I have to keep my hands on the bottle. Let's just go, I guess.
Okay. I gotta go back in here and read my next dare.
All right, so we gotta be like really careful now. They're gonna be looking for us.
Shh. Wait, quiet.
Where am I gonna do this?
Let's do it. Let's just do it right here.
Hey, cutie.
Close that door. Colin, close that door. I'm gonna borrow your hat. Thank you. Okay, what?
Let's see what my second dare is. Feed the dogs.
Yep.
Okay, could you get out of my space, please? No, actually,
kidding.
no.
Okay.
Do not do that.
Let's go home.
Did you hear that? Is that Cat? Cat?
It's all falling apart. Oh my God.
Where am I gonna do it?
Just go right here.
But they're right there.
Let's go watch this Mentos thing. Okay. Stoke twins are literally right behind Salish. Let's hide right here. Get down.
What are you doing?
I'm watching you, because you're gonna get busted and I'm not.
How many Mentos? Which good to do?
Okay. They are sitting ducks right now.
Wait, your hands have to be on it.
I gotta get the dog food. Salish is literally right there. Okay, I gotta feed this to the dog. Okay, okay.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Now we have to do the third challenge. Before I look at dare number 3, I have to set up an order for one of my dad's dares. And don't worry, guys, you'll understand soon.
Okay, all right, here you go. Oh God, this is bad. I just let the dog out. Dude, I have to get the dog. This is bad. They're right there. Doing this.
Bring the pink beanbag to the second floor. Oh!
What?
Wait. Okay, I think I got that.
Do you know how heavy that thing is?
It's not like cooking Mentos. Like, I don't have to clean it up after. Come on, let's go.
Say, it's gonna be so loud.
Walk in with me, Colin. Have a positive attitude.
I'm positive we're not gonna be able to do it.
What Salish doesn't know is that the twins aren't actually in their office anymore.
It's really heavy.
I told you.
3, 2, 1, push.
Up.
3, 2, 1, up.
Up.
3, 2,
1. Okay.
Oh, I didn't mean to slam it. Are you 100% sure that's what you want to do? 100% sure for the next video. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Surprisingly, we didn't get caught by them, and they didn't even notice that the beanbag wasn't there, but we gotta go.
How did they not notice?
Let's go. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, take a secret selfie with one of the twins in the background.
What?
I don't know how I'm gonna do that. This is gonna be impossible.
That's the hardest one yet, for sure.
Yeah.
I ordered a pizza. It's being delivered. Bring it to me. She ordered a pizza?
We gotta go outside and we gotta go back to the driveway and we gotta wait for the pizza delivery and get it there so they never knock on the door.
I ordered pizza 30 minutes ago, and the driver just arrived.
No, she's already there.
But if the driver rings the doorbell,
Oh, she's coming. Oh my God.
let's go, let's go, let's go.
Did you get out? Go, get closer, go.
Is he visible in it? Yeah, I guess that counts. It's like the back of his head a mile away.
I already got the pizza. How do I get that pizza and give it to Salish?
Weird, right? Yes. There's no meat on this pizza.
Shh.
Lambo 10 times.
What?
Do you even know how to start a Lamborghini?
No!
All right, dude. Let's just go back and lock in, dude. Let's lock in. Come on, lock in. All right, let's go, dude. Come on.
All right, come on.
I need to get the car keys, and I have no idea where they are, so I'm gonna call Kat right now. Okay. Hi, Kat. I was just wondering where the Stokes twins, like, Lamborghini car keys are.
Ooh, sometimes they're in the coffee table in the living room.
Okay, thank you so much.
Wait, why do you need the keys?
Okay, bye, thank you.
What are you doing with the
Bye.
keys?
Okay, we gotta go, let's go, let's go.
Ari, be super quiet. That's your. Go. That was so scary. Next dare. Dare number 4. 2 left. Matter cup is mine. Oh God. That's so good. FaceTime the twins for 1 minute without leaving this room.
Where's the coffee table?
Oh, it's over here. There's one on this side too.
Yes.
There it is.
Come on, good job. Wait. Is this Lamborghini?
That's Mercedes.
Who is that?
Oh my gosh.
Why would it be in here?
Bro, I don't know.
Oh, wait. Just wait. Is that? Yeah, that's Lamborghini. Let's go.
No.
Guess what? I'm on my 5th challenge. Bye. Let's go. Come on.
No. She's on her 5th challenge. I'm on my 4th. I'm a challenge behind. No.
Go. Oh, this looks sick.
Okay, I think it's the blue one.
I've got a FaceTime. Does this look sus? All right, that doesn't look sus. You can't tell what this is.
Wait, why is Jordan FaceTiming us?
Can you just fit in here, Colin? Hurry up, hurry.
Okay, yep, I'm in. Shoot.
Hey, Alex. How you doing?
Hey,
Alan?
Jordan.
How you guys doing? How you guys doing?
You ready?
I just wanted to talk to you guys about
3,
you ever want to do a video together, maybe?
4, 5, 6,
Wait, hold on 1 second. Jordan, my Lambo's turning on.
8, 9.
Alan, run.
She's getting busted. She's getting busted.
What is that? Go, circle, circle, Hey, excuse me. Hey. Excuse me.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
Salish.
Wait.
Hey.
We've been in your house all day hiding. Kat gave us permission.
Yeah.
And it was a competition to see who would last longer.
Okay.
Come on, you've done this to houses before. You get it.
No, we haven't.
You have so.
You don't have not.
You have
No,
so.
I promise you we haven't.
Imagine you wake up and you go over to kiss your wife and it's me. Imagine that. That's how I feel right now. Because she was in the car.
The only question is, how many revs did she get before you caught her?
I got 10.
No, you didn't actually.
Yeah.
No. Colin.
She got 10.
Why did it take you so long to get out here?
It's because we were on the phone with you.
Yeah, but why
If you didn't call, we wouldn't have been distracted.
You guys just cost me in the Matter Cup, you know that?
What is a Matter Cup?
By the way, thanks for letting us in your home.
Here's your key back.
I don't even know.
Thank you.
What is happening?
I'll see you guys soon.
Why is he going back in our house? The exit's that way. Yeah, what is going on?
I don't know, I'm gonna go grab something to eat. I'm hungry. Bye. Today, my daughter Salish and her friend Farhan see how long they can hide in an amusement park without getting caught by me or a police officer. This is an embarrassing photo of my daughter Salish, and if I can find her, I get to post it on a billboard in Los Angeles. They have 1 minute to hide.
Go.
Salish and Farhan have to complete 10 mystery challenges.
Are you single or are you taken?
All right, what's the next challenge?
No! Oh my God, Salish! What the heck?
To make it harder for me to tag them, they have 2 security guards to keep me away. Security!
Stop! Guys, my dad is right there.
Oh, shoot! Ah.
Security's grabbing him.
Let's go.
Go, Jordan, go! Salish, I'm coming for you, little girl!
Keep running, say, let's go! Oh my gosh, where are you taking us?
I don't know.
This is Officer Walker with the Los Angeles Police Department, and he's gonna help me find the kids. I think that's only fair because they have security guards, right?
Makes sense to me.
Are you ready? I think they're about to run out of time. Come on, let's go.
Go here. All right, this is perfect right here. So read the first challenge.
Find the scariest ride.
What if we ask somebody what the scariest ride is, and then whatever they say, go.
Wow, Farhan, you're so smart.
Oh my gosh. All right, let's go ask somebody. Let's go.
Hurry up.
Let's go.
Time's up. Let's find them.
Hey guys, what's the scariest ride? X2 is right there. Come on.
X2 is right there. Thank you guys. Let's go. Thank you guys.
X2 is right here.
Hurry.
Let's imagine that there's a criminal. What would you do first?
I have a picture of her, right?
Yeah.
So I'm asking every concession stand, have you seen this person? Which direction have they been in? Something like that. Maybe we can get some notes.
Let's go.
Look how high this is. No, I'm not going on this.
Yes, you are.
So what's the embarrassing photo?
Oh, it's that. Oh, I promised Salish I would blur it unless I win, and then I'm posting it all over LA on a billboard.
Listen, if we get out of this ride, and let's say we're running, and we see Jordan, we have to punch Jordan.
You're a police officer. I'm not a fighter.
Okay.
You're gonna have to handle both security officers. Can you take them out?
Not a problem.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
I drive across right.
As long as I have your permission.
Oh, you got my permission.
Officer Walker told me I gotta show a photo of Salish to people and see if they've seen her. I can use that Sincerely Yours photo. I think she likes that, she's posted it. Hey, has anybody seen this kid? Has anybody seen that person? Have you seen that person? By the way, it's not scary. It's my daughter. We're playing hide and seek. It's not a scary thing. If I win this challenge, the photo I'm gonna show on the billboard is, whoa, it's so bad. I can't wait to win.
1 out of 10, how scared are you? Are you
Probably.
6, 7?
You make me want to go home. No, I don't know.
6, 7.
Like, this is why I don't hang out with her.
Have you seen that person? Oh, you know her. Did you see her? No, okay. If Salish can't complete her 10 challenges before I catch her, just wait to see the photo. In case you guys think I'm mean posting a bad photo of my daughter all over LA, listen, she did it to me. Are you kidding me? This is revenge.
Oy.
All right, all set, ready to go?
Get me off this ride. I'm not built for this. I'm built to be at home, playing video games.
Sorry to interrupt everybody. Has anybody seen my daughter Salish? So sorry. Yeah, thank you anyway. Wow, so she didn't come in here, I guess. That was awkward.
Oh my gosh. Mom, I love you. Dad, I love you. My brother, I love you so much. My sister, I'm gonna miss you if I don't ever see you again. Oh my gosh. No!
Have either of you seen my daughter? We're playing hide and seek. I really want to win. I have the worst photo in history. I can put it on a billboard in LA if all I have to do is win.
Let's look for the biggest crowd. Wherever the crowd is at, I have a feeling that she'll be there.
That's smart.
But what I didn't see coming was that this massive crowd will make this whole challenge much more difficult, at least for me.
I need you to say as loud as you can, Salish Matter, come out wherever you are.
Salish Matter, wherever you are, come out now.
I think it could be a little louder. Can I try it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna find you, little girl! You can't hide forever! I'm gonna put a billboard up with an ugly photo of you! Let's go! Do you want to see Aura?
Yeah.
Oh, that would have been Aura! It would have been Aura!
Oh my goodness. No, we're about to go down.
Rowan and Dell put together the challenges. I've known Rowan since he was born. I think I can think like him. And I have a feeling he would at least do one challenge that was a ride. So he would either do a silly ride to embarrass them or he would do a scary ride to scare them.
Oh my God, Salish!
Hey guys, what's the scariest ride here?
Probably Scream.
Scream?
X2.
Okay, wait. Everybody say X2 or Scream. Let's do both.
No.
Is this the exit?
Yeah.
This is the exit, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
We're going against traffic here. I'm going through the exit because I want to check with them to see if Salish has been on this ride. Or maybe she's waiting in line.
Oh, thank God, it's over.
No, it's over.
That's it. This challenge is over. I'll catch them right now.
Get me out!
Excuse me, has this girl come through this ride yet?
I can't answer anything.
Okay, that sounds like a yes.
What the heck was that?
Okay, the worst thing that can happen right now is we see Jordan.
Farhan, that was my plan, but unfortunately I went to Scream instead of X2.
I want to see the picture. Oh my gosh.
No, okay.
We're out of here.
I'm gonna call Salish.
My dad is calling me.
Hello?
Hey, I miss you guys. Would you mind just sending me a photo of you guys so I can see you're happy?
No. See you later. Bye.
Ya.
He's trying to trick us. Okay,
Yeah.
we're not falling for that, Jordan.
Yeah, Dad, we're not little kids anymore.
Your voice is so bad. No, her voice is like so bad. We're gonna have to figure out a good game plan if we see Jordan.
Don't worry about Jordan, we'll handle him.
If you just see a tall guy, spiky hair,
Yeah, like some old man, yeah.
punch, jab, cross, uppercut.
Exactly.
You guys just give us the go, and we got you.
All right,
Fast,
perfect,
yeah.
thanks.
Sadly for me, they aren't joking, because later those security guards will make me regret filming this video. But first, Salish is trying to fly through the challenges.
Eat food in every color of the rainbow. They have like convenience stores, right? Like here, like they have like little stores, like little snacks. We could definitely find every color of the rainbow there.
You kind of have an army behind you, actually.
No, but guys, listen to my logic.
Sis, we gotta go. No, we gotta go.
They're gonna help us. If my dad sees them, my dad is gonna like get caught in them, you know?
Can I give you a hug? Thank you. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you good?
Yes.
That's awesome. Bailey, thank you, Bailey. Thank you so much. Okay, let's keep looking for Salish now.
You!
Oh my gosh, that's perfect.
Red, orange, yellow,
Green,
blue,
purple. Let's go.
Okay.
You guys know how much time you're saving by doing this and not going to like a restaurant?
Smart.
I am smart.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7.
Now we have to eat these, okay?
We need to hide and hurry up.
Oh my gosh, there's so many people.
Guys, if you see my dad, can you please like make sure he doesn't come?
No way she's getting that whole crowd to look for me. You won't believe how many times I almost got kicked out of the park because of the massive crowd following me.
Thank you guys so much. Let's go right here.
That's exit only, Salish.
And let's eat it right here.
All right, we gotta eat this.
Red. Ooh, we actually have to bite it. That's gross.
Orange. I think we're done. We'll move on to the next challenge.
I have a feeling some of you are going to ship Salish and Farhan after watching this video since it's already happening on TikTok. But they've been friends for years and that's all it is. So, guys, chill.
Instagram truth or dare.
Question's right there. Hurry up, you type so slow.
I'll do a dare, I guess.
Okay, yeah, I'm doing the truth.
Are you single or are you taken?
I'm single. I dare you to go buy ice cream and lick it.
That's easy.
Okay, well, let's go.
Come on, let's go. I know where an ice cream place is. It's over there. Come on, let's go.
Okay, come on.
Okay, we're good. We're good.
All right,
we're
let's
good.
go, Fron.
Oh my gosh, go.
There's some ice cream right here.
Oh, wait, that's perfect.
I am literally so close to them, but it's hard to find anyone in this sea of people.
They're gonna definitely hear me coming. Nobody who knows who Salish is allowed to tell me where she is, because that would be unfair. Otherwise, I could just ask a bunch of people to go find her. That's not fair. It's either me or Officer Walker. We're the only two people who can find her, but I can ask concessions people, and I can ask the park workers. I don't know how much more time I have. There's no time limit, but I don't know how many challenges they've completed.
We have an exit here and an exit here.
Okay,
so
so
if we have
Jordan
any
comes-
conflict in the front, you can go left or right, okay?
Got it.
And we'll follow you either way, okay?
Perfect, thanks.
Guys, this might draw
a lot of attention.
And things are already getting complicated for us.
Shoot. One of our camera people just got kicked out of the park. Officers, can I just say, these guys have been chasing us all day. We have permission to be filming here. He's with me.
I want to go that way, maybe. Look at this.
I know. They don't want to leave, so now you're kicking my guy out.
I am so close to catching her, but her plan of sending a crowd to distract me worked better than anyone could imagine, because I was literally just outside the ice cream shop.
Hey guys, I spotted him right there. We need to get moving.
This is nobody's fault, but the huge crowd might get me arrested.
You understand we have to maintain the safety of everyone?
Go, we gotta go.
Thank you, thank you. All right, let's keep playing. I didn't get arrested. We're good. All right, okay. We gotta come up with a plan.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
Salish has no idea I got in trouble, so she keeps sending more and more people in my direction. This is about to get out of control.
Guys, can you go block my dad? Don't let him come to me.
Oh, I see him.
Flash pass. Maybe they went to buy a flash pass. Wow, there's a big crowd of people. Okay.
He's exactly where we posted the Instagram
Promise?
story. Yeah, I promise. Okay, maybe we should go that way. That way. Let's go.
Salish posted a story. Wait, Sandy, look. Exit only. Exit only. Exit. They were right here. Did you happen to see this person with a friend?
I think I might have seen them around the vending machine.
Oh, thank you. So they were right next to the vending machine. They took a photo in front of that exit sign.
No way. I can't believe I missed them just because security wanted to talk to me.
All right, well, what's the next thing that we have to do?
We have to win the biggest prize in the park.
Wait, hold on. Excuse me. Where did you get this?
At the basketball one over there.
Basketball. All right, let's go. I suck at basketball. That's like the only sport I cannot play.
Great.
There's so many people following us. That's like the whole park. Oh, I see it. Look at the thing. You think I'm making that?
I'll make it.
No matter if you miss, you're still a winner, bro.
How do we win the biggest prize?
Make it in there one time.
Ron, do you want to go first?
No, you go first. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
All right, you go, Ron. You go.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, Ron. You got this. Come on. Take your time.
If I miss, it's gonna be so embarrassing now. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
All right, you take that. You go. Wait!
Oh my gosh,
We're trying to play a game of hide and seek. If you go over to them and you start screaming, I'm gonna know where they are. I'm trying my hardest to find them without any clues, okay? Don't tell me where they are. Do not tell me where they are, even if you know. Team Jordan! I have no idea how many challenges they found. I have no idea if I've ever been close. This is really hard. You know how tempted I am to check her find friends? Have you seen this kid recently? Have you seen her? No, I gotta find her. This is getting really hard and it's getting dark.
What's the next challenge?
Win 10 games of rock, paper, scissors with Station.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, let's go. That's one. Shoot. Let's go. That's two. Scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No. Okay. Scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Shoot. 7, shoot. Scissors, shoot. All right, 10.
Okay, 10. We're good.
This is hard. I cannot sneak up on anyone like this. What would you do, officer?
We need crowd control. We need to get them away from us. Concession stands and big crowds are going to be the main thing.
We need to get to high ground to see if we can spot the big crowd with Salish. The only issue is...
I'm scared of heights, so could you do that?
I'm down.
Oh, let's go. How long will it take us to get from here to have him going up? 30 minutes? Okay, we don't have time to look for 30 minutes.
I have a slime with Gooey Gooey. I had to tell her everything about it while you are on the carousel.
Okay, well, let's go find the carousel. We gotta go.
I genuinely don't know how my dad hasn't caught us yet.
I know. We've literally had like an army of people following us.
Jordan's gonna find us. Like, there's no way.
All right, found the carousel. All right, guys, he has to ride the carousel while I tell you about Gooey Gooey.
Salish has to complete 10 challenges. If I catch her before she completes them, I get to put a horrible photo of her on a billboard in LA. And believe me, I wouldn't do it except it's revenge. She did that to me. Are you kidding me? I don't know how many challenges Salish has completed. I'm in a hurry, but they'll hear us coming no matter where we come from. Things have changed since the 10-minute photo challenge, I'll tell you that.
As soon as I get on the ride, you have to do your little slime thing like really fast because this is like really bad.
Oh, you're scared. It's okay.
I'm
Ron.
embarrassed.
No, it's okay. No, you're scared. It's just a carousel. You're fine, Ron. You got it.
I'm not scared of the
No,
carousel.
I know you are.
It's embarrassing.
It's not. It's okay.
I was scared of the carousel.
I'm not scared of the carousel. It's embarrassing.
Yeah,
Look, turn around. Turn around. Look at everybody looking at me. Like, there's just no way.
Hey, Huds, say hi. They all wanted to say hi, that's why I called. I've got an idea, Huds, will you do me a favor? Will you FaceTime Salish to take a screenshot of where she is?
I'm on the highway.
Okay, all right. Bye, I love you. Say bye to Hudson. Maybe my wife will do it. Honey, I need you to do me a favor. FaceTime Salish right now. Take a screenshot where she is and send it to me. I need to know where she is in the park. I'm about to lose. All right, love you, bye.
Gooey Gooey is the slime brand. I made a slime with Gooey Gooey, and I'm just gonna show you guys what's in it. Show you how awesome it is.
This is gonna be so embarrassing. I need Salish to hurry up.
This is hard. There's a lot of people, which is awesome, but they're making a lot of noise. Let's just pretend that Salish and Fran are fugitives. They stole your gold chain, and you have to find them, and you have like minutes. What would you do right now?
I want to go over the loudspeaker and throw up what we call a roost, right? You guys want a prize? Find Salish. A Find Salish prize.
Okay. Is it possible to get on the loudspeaker from here? No, okay, thank you. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that, but I'm gonna try.
Lauren called Salish, but only for a second. Luckily, Lauren got this screenshot. I think I know exactly where Salish is.
I'm gonna whisper this because I don't want them to hear it, but I think that she's at the merry-go-round. Gotta get there before all these people do, because I don't want them to scream and then alert her. I think she's at the carousel.
These are the 4 slimes I have with Gooey Gooey, so let me show you what comes inside of the box. There's 4 different slimes, and it tells you right here which one you got. There's a cloud, a gloss, a clear, and a butter.
Let's go. We're good, right? We're good? Nice.
Let's make the clear one. We're gonna open step 1, which is the base. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Guys, these all have just like really clean and like nice, refreshing scents. So fun to play with. Put it nicely on top of this. Look how nice that looks.
Now it's just pitch black. I missed my opportunity when it was light.
Step number 2, nice decoration. So I'm just gonna put these on top of here.
All right, now we're going, now we're going, now we're going. This is so embarrassing.
Go Fry!
Salish, hurry up!
Okay. Step number 3 is some more decoration. Look how pretty that is.
All right, guys. We gotta come up with a strategy because once we get off, Jordan could be waiting for us.
Step number 4 is reveal. This is the reveal. This is so cute. I actually love it.
Say that's super nice, but like, you know, if you just finish, like, we can go and be done with it.
I want to show them the slime. I love it. Okay.
No, take your time. It's cool. It's not like your dad's trying to follow this.
If Salish is still there, I gotta sneak up on him, and I gotta avoid those 2 bodyguards, and I gotta tag her. But first, I gotta see if she's still there.
Okay, I think we're done. Please tell me we're done. Please tell me we're done. All right, let's go. We gotta get off.
Step number 5 is the spiral touch. So, add a little glitter. Look how perfect that looks.
There, right there. Did you see her?
I didn't see her in my way.
She just passed by.
My daughter just passed by here? That girl? Yo, you saw her? You know which direction they went? Thank you.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Guys, I think it's the horror night now.
No.
At 7 o'clock, the park switches over to Fright Fest, and the whole park turns into a giant haunted house.
Do you mind if I make one announcement to my daughter on that microphone? It's 1 sentence. Please let me do this. I never win. Please let me do this. Please. One announcement. Please.
Tell him what to say and he can announce it. Security, pull up the map and take us to Goliath. No idea where that is, but we have to get to it. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna go right and then left.
All right, let's go. Goliath is actually pretty scary. It has like the biggest drop. I'm scared.
It's like the biggest drop in LA.
Oh my gosh, the scary people are gonna start coming out.
Are you gonna be scared?
I swear I will run away.
Ron's gonna be like,
Stop it!
Say, the first person.
The first person to find the Salish matter will get a fast pass.
Let's go! You find Salish matter, you get a fast pass to Horror Nights. Go get her!
All right, we're going on Goliath. I'm honestly pretty scared.
You've been on before, right?
Like once, but when I was little. It's like a wooden ride, so I'm scared it's gonna like fail. What happens if we get caught before doing all 10 challenges?
Then a really embarrassing photo goes up on me on like a wall thing, and I don't want that.
I have decided I'm gonna break my own rule and I'm gonna let people help me because I'm getting desperate. I have a feeling Salish's gonna win any minute, so I'm gonna give away a fast pass to somebody who helps me find Salish. I know, I said I wouldn't do it. Nobody who knows who Salish is allowed to tell me where she is because that would be unfair. I really wanna win, I always lose, and I gotta put that billboard in LA.
No, I took a photo with Salish over there, and then after she ran to Goliath.
Okay, thank you. Salish did a selfie here and she was on her way to Goliath, so I think I can get there and catch her right there.
Last two is the scariest.
I'm actually scared.
Say, does this one go upside down?
Oh, no, because I'm gonna fall out. Oh. Oh my God.
Like everything was just like pushing down.
Yeah, same.
On the first drop, I didn't even scream. And then it started doing like a loop.
We were spinning forever.
Like it felt like,
like everything was pushing down.
it
on
felt like
us.
a dream. Like it just did not feel
Like I
real.
felt like my eyes were like, I just closed them.
Where's the exit to Goliath? Salish is on Goliath. Like 10 people have told me that. I'm gonna wait here at the exit and get her when she leaves. Oh, I see my,
Is this the exit?
I see my assistant.
That was
Okay, well that's
terrifying.
challenge what? That's challenge number 7?
That's 7.
Now we
Like
gotta
the
go?
3 other ones are in the scary
Fright Fest.
part of the
We have
park.
to go to Fright Fest.
Yeah.
I'm not going.
Yeah, you're fine, you're fine.
No, it's not my favorite. That's the worst part. But there's no way Jordan still hasn't found us.
I know, that's like
I'm like
low-key
really
crazy.
surprised.
What if he's at the exit?
Oh wait, that's a good point.
Let's look at our picture.
Okay.
Look at him.
They only have 3 challenges left, but these are the toughest ones.
Make sure Jordan's not here. Wait.
Say, your dad's right there. Say your dad's right there.
Anybody see Salish?
He's right there. He's right. We gotta go.
I am so close to catching Salish right now, but she sent one of her security guards to intercept me.
How are you, sir?
Oh no. This is her security guard.
Go.
I'm gonna introduce you to my friend Officer Walker. Let's go.
Let's just stay here. I got him.
Go.
She's here somewhere. Oh, run!
Go.
Salish has 2 security guards, so there's 1 more. Where's the other one?
Where's the security?
This way.
My dad's at Goliath.
I don't know where to go.
Where is she? I can't see anything.
Take a right.
No, that's where my dad is. Sandy.
No.
Sandy was filming me, but he had to stop because his knee was hurting. That's when he happened to spot Salish and Farhan.
Go inside.
If I had only stayed with Sandy, I would have caught them.
Where's Salish?
I saw her.
Oh, you saw her?
Oh yeah, I stopped here, and then I saw them. They went into that store. I think they must have exited the other side.
So they went that way? You can comment I'm cheating. I don't care. Everybody go find Salish for me. Go!
Oh, shoot. Okay, ready? Oh, my God.
No, Salish, don't get scared. Listen, if you don't get scared, they won't do anything.
Oh, security, stop. Where are they? Where is she?
If Salish's security is here, I know she's close.
Everybody find Salish. Salish, I'm coming for you, little girl.
I saw your dad, guys. I scared him in the other direction, so we're good for now.
Perfect, thank you. The final 3 challenges are photobomb someone's picture, film a TikTok with an amusement park character, and go through the scariest haunted maze.
Give me the TikTok. Yeah, come over here. Come here. I'm gonna show you I'm not scared of you.
Why the heck did you do that, Bron?
Can we make a TikTok together really quick? Like put your hands on your knees and start dancing like this. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey. All right, we're good. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Go. All right, now we gotta photobomb a picture. How do we do that?
Everybody be quiet. If Salish is here, she's gonna hear us coming.
That scared me.
What the heck?
Photobomb. Let's go. Oh, we did it. Photobomb. Let's go. That's good.
I don't know where they are with their challenges, but I know it's getting scarier and scarier.
Here's a maze.
I'm not going. I'm not going to that. Do we both have to go through the haunted maze?
My dad's calling you. Hi, Dad.
Hey, Salish, how many challenges do you have left?
2 left. Two.
You have 2 left. Where are you?
Jordan, do both of us have to go through the maze or just one of us?
Why are you asking me that question? I have no idea.
Okay, only one of us is going through the maze.
No, I'm not going fun if you don't go.
I'm not going.
Farhan just made a huge mistake because now I know they're going to one of the haunted mazes. Or are they just messing with me?
They just asked me if they had to go through the maze together. Is that a joke?
Is it a setup or
Okay,
is
I
it
don't
already
care.
serious?
That's all I've got.
Let's do it.
I have no idea what their challenges are, so this could be a trick. But at this point, I need any help I can get. All right, everybody, listen up. These are 2 fast passes. Whoever helps me find Salish gets one of them. Go, go, go.
Literally anything in the whole entire park I'd rather do than this. Will you at least tell me what the picture is?
No.
I just want to know what the picture is.
I can't tell anybody.
Farhan just said that they were going to the maze. They said it as if they were gonna have to do it together. I don't know if I caught them in a conversation they didn't want me to hear or if they're just messing with me, but we're here now, so we'll see if we find them.
Wait, Jordan's here.
Stage right.
Security.
I see him. I see him. He's right there. He's literally right there.
Oh, we got you. I got you.
Oh no!
I got you.
Okay, Salish is here.
She's here. That means we're getting close.
Turn off the light.
We're getting close to her. Break away. Go. Move.
All right, wait, hold on. Stay down.
Where?
They just said we were over here.
I'm pretty sure they're going to the maze. I'm right at the line to get into the maze, so I must be close to them.
Let's go.
Go.
Go that way.
I got you. They gotta be somewhere close.
He's right down there. He's right down there.
We waited in the line. Guys, we have to wait in the line.
I am sure I'm about to win this whole thing, as long as they don't send their security.
Oh, shoot! Ah! Okay. Oh my God. Okay.
Get out! He's back! Go, Jordan! Go!
Guys, we have to wait in the line. We have to wait.
Woody, do it that way!
I think that kid sent me in the wrong direction.
Where is the exit of the maze? The exit of the maze. They'll be coming out of the maze.
Sounds good.
We're gonna hide.
Guys, my dad is right there.
Hey, do you know where the exit of the...
I do. It's right here.
You again.
Hello. How are you, my friend?
No.
Oh, he's back again.
Oh my God, security is grabbing him.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
I think he's done. There's one more guy.
One more guy.
Where is the exit? Where's the exit to the maze?
They'll come around this way on the outside.
So they can't go anywhere other than here, right?
Yeah, they have to come back this way.
Okay, if she's in the maze, I'm gonna get her right now.
We gotta get.
Oh my God.